Oh my gosh, barely in time. Holy crap. Okay, we're good. It's I just got in. I thought we were gonna miss it. But we're good to go. I thought I was gonna be a little bit late, but yeah, I just barely in time. We're good to go. All right. Yeah, so it's about it. I literally just got in here. Here, let me can I turn notifications on? Oh yeah, I gotta have the audio on. Hopefully this works. Hold on. Ah. All right. The headphones ready. Desktop audio is now on. So hold on, let me play some. Hold on, let me play this. Do y'all hear that? Here, let me see. Mm. Uh, we might have audio problems. Dang it, I'm gonna have to end the stream if I can't get the audio to work. Don't know how to get that to work. Here, let me know if y'all hear anything when I play this. Do y'all hear anything when I play that? No, you don't. I'm guessing. I'm guessing you don't because it's not showing up here. Dang it. Well, I don't. Hold on. Maybe it's this. uh. Today seems to be different. No, I didn't change my setup in any way, really. No. Let's see if it works now. Oh, there we go. Okay, what the? What? It's working now. Okay, so now it's working, right? Now you hear me. Now you heard me twice right there. It works now, right? No? Did you hear it right there? Please tell me you heard it right there. Let me know. Let me know. I'm not gonna be able to stream it if I can't get the audio to work. Yeah, sound does seem quieter. Yes, I did change the audio because I think it actually sounds better now if you turn it up a little louder. But did y'all hear the audio just now though? Hold on, let me get some. I don't know. Let me get. Yeah, let me put some other. I don't know. Let me put Did y'all hear here? Let me. Do y'all hear this? The desktop audio should be on. Yeah, it's on. The desktop audio is working now, right? I just want to make sure. Sorry, I'm a YouTube newbie. Sorry. It should be. Make sure to make sure. Okay, you can hear it live. Okay, good, good. Can you hear this though? Can you hear the desktop audio? Can you hear the desktop audio? The last of the Mohicans music. The meeting is going to begin shortly. I guess. Let me refresh this. It should have been. It should have already begun by now. No. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to end the stream. We're gonna have to end it. What? Why? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, we're just gonna have to end it, man. I don't know how to. I don't know why it's not. It shows that it's coming up right here. Maybe this. No, that doesn't do anything, does it? I guess we could just. Great. Oh, it does. It's good now. No, okay, so that is the thing. Video capture. This right here. Is that it? I know. I know. I have that 100. So now it works now, right? Now you can hear it. No? What? What? Some people are saying yes and no. The sound of the desktop. Do you all hear the desktop sound? But not your. Oh, okay. Somebody just says I can hear music now. Okay, are we good now? Is it good now? I'm getting mixed reaction. Can you hear the desktop audio? Still no desktop audio. What? One person is saying they can't. Okay, I'm guessing that person's just trolling then. I really don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. All right, we can just there's two options. There's two options. We can either just stream it with no audio for y'all, I guess. I mean, man, I don't here, let me check this. Yeah, we're probably just gonna have to end. I'm sorry. This is literally just I feel so bad. I really don't know what to do. Yeah, we're just gonna I guess we could stream this with no audio of the thing. I don't know. Yeah, it's there. The desktop audio is there, but it's just not maybe this. Let's try this. Let's try that. Now it's not even showing up there. Weird. Yeah, I don't know. I say we just honestly what we can do, we can just go ahead and string the market. I mean, we just string the market, just screw the event, you know? That's what we can do. Y'all really don't hear it right now because this shows that it is. Oh, it says 0 decibels right there, though. What? Why does it say 0 decibels right there? Why does it show 0 decibels right there? Hold on. Oh, I think I just figured it out. No, that should be good. What? Yeah, I'll just link the meeting. Here, you know what? Yeah, I know. I already have. I'll tell you what. Turn on monitor. No, that doesn't do anything. That makes it not work. That makes it not work, right? This is the most sorry excuse for a stream of all time. I'm glad there's not that many people. I'm glad not that many people are in here. Output from your headphones. It's on it's on default. I've tried everything. Play audio through laptop. There, what about that? Now does it work? There, I just took the headphones out. Oh, this is too funny. Please feel free to leave right now. Feel free to leave. If you're in the stream early, I'll sell, lol. Still not working. Yeah, please feel free to leave. The audio is not working. So, change output. I really don't know why it's not working. I've done this before, but now it's just not working. Nothing there. No music at all. Because the music is playing, but y'all just don't hear it, I guess. Okay, well. Yeah, let's just YouTube it. Dude, I say here, this is what I say we do. I say we just say screw the event here. Okay, let's be honest. We all know it's probably just gonna be saying, okay, we got the vote or we didn't get the vote. Here's what's gonna happen. It's probably not gonna be anything different. Oh yeah, that's, you know what, you could be right, but I don't think I can change the actual settings while we're live here. Yeah, I can't change. Okay, well. Okay, streaming. Yeah, I don't know. I say we just. Yeah, I say we just. I say, dude, this is what I say we do. Just screw this stockholder meeting. I say we just go ahead and just look at the charts. Honestly, that's what I say we do. Oh, there's nothing I can change there. Nothing we can change here. I really don't know what it is, but yeah. Anyways, charts aren't pretty though. Well, yeah. Hey, since we started streaming, the way went higher, right? That's good luck, right? Okay. I'll tell you what we could also do. We can also just I can have my headphones on and listen to it while we're looking at the charts, and then I can report back to you. But it's not even starting yet, I guess. It has, at least last I checked. Let's see if it started now. Still hasn't started yet for some reason. They're really late for some reason, which is really weird. Make a decision. Set it to disabled or okay. Play it on your phone. Yes, it is started. It's not started though. It's not started though. The meeting will begin shortly. Um yes, we did lose a little bit of short interest. Yes, we did. I'm late to the party. Quick question: what do you see as supporters BNGO? Well, we're kind of having we're kind of not having audio desktop audio working right now. So basically, feel free to get out of here right now. We're not audio's not work. I think I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know what we should do. I'm gonna decide here. I'm trying to decide right now. Here, let me try this. Someone's saying try this. I guess nothing's working. There's just no audio coming in though. Here's the problem. There's no decibels. It's showing up. Like it's showing up as in there is audio, but there's no decibels for some reason, which I don't understand how that could be. There's no filters or anything on this one. So none of those things do anything. So yeah, all right, I say we just screw it. Yes, I am playing Don't Play, but we're playing this is playing right now. This should you all should be able to hear this, but you can't for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I say honestly, I mean we got a couple options here. We got a couple different options here. Honestly, this is what I say we do. I say we end the stream. I say I mess with this, see if I can figure it out, and then I say, here, what was that? It? Hold on, that can't be it. No way. That doesn't change anything. I don't think. Yeah, I say we just. No, I already have audio playing. Yeah, I say we turn. I say we end the stream, and then I'll come back like in 5 minutes, and if I can figure it out, if I can figure it out, I will come back and see if I can see if it's good. Head is shorting your audio now. No, I'm just stupid. I'm just dumb. All right, yeah, all right, well, it's not gonna work, but yeah, it's not gonna work. I guess I'll try it real quick. Okay, here it is. It's starting right now, but it's not. It's starting right now, but it's not. We have no audio. We have no audio. What do we do? What do we do? Oh man. Here we go. Okay, you guys can't hear it though. You I'm gonna put the headphones on. I'm gonna listen to it. I'll tell you what. Good preparation. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to it real quick because it works. I can hear it. Y'all can't hear it though. Listen and report to us. I guess I will. I guess I will. I feel so bad. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Eric is talking right now. Just let us know. Should I just leave it on the chart and then just tell you guys what happens after? Oh, I could do that. Um, tell you what. Actually, you know what? I might just be able to freaking blare it on the freaking. Oh, I could. I don't have my speaker set up though. Hold on. Let me just get it. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Can you hear it a little bit now? Maybe. Volume? Is the volume good? Barely. Put mine closer to okay.
At this time, I'd like to introduce Chris Stewart, Chief Financial Officer of Bionano.
It's as loud as it gets. Can't really hear it.
At this meeting, Mr. Stewart has taken and subscribed the customary oath of office to execute his duties with strict impartiality. We will file this oath with the records of the meeting. The inspector's function is to decide upon the qualifications of voters, accept their votes, and when balloting on all matters is complete, to tally the final vote. Thank you, Chris. In my capacity as Secretary of Bionano, I will now report with respect to the existence of a quorum. A preliminary count of the stock represented in person or by proxy at this meeting indicates that the holders of 51% of the outstanding shares of common stock entitled to vote at the meeting are present in person or by virtual attendance or by proxy. This constitutes a quorum for the meeting today, and we may now carry out the official business of the meeting. We will now proceed with the formal business. There are two proposals to be considered by the stockholders at this meeting. The time is now 10:04 a.m. Pacific Time on Thursday, June 10th, 2021, and the polls are now open for voting on all matters to be presented. The polls will be closed to voting after we go through the matters to be voted on. The rules of conduct for the meeting are posted on the annual meeting portal. We ask that you follow these rules. We will address questions during the Q&A portion of the meeting. If you have a question, please submit it by entering it into the Ask a Question text box in the annual meeting portal. The first item of business is the election of two Class 3 directors to serve until the 2024 annual meeting and until their successors are elected. The nominees for Class 3 directors are Christopher Toomey and Yvonne Linney. You can find information for each of these nominees regarding their background and qualifications to serve as a director in the proxy statement. Is there any discussion? The second item of business today is the ratification of the selection of BDO USA LLP by the Audit Committee of our Board of Directors to serve as Bionano's independent registered public accounting firm for the fiscal year ending December 31st, 2021. The appointment of BDO USA LLP is also discussed in the proxy statement. Is there any discussion? That was the final proposal for today's meeting. Because we have not received notice from any stockholders of any other matter to be considered at today's meeting, no other proposals will be addressed at this meeting. I will now describe the voting procedures. Voting is by proxy and online ballot. You do not need to do anything if you have already sent in your signed proxy, previously voted online or by telephone, or if you have submitted your proxy or voted online at this meeting. If you have not voted and would like to vote now, or if you would like to change your vote, click the Vote Here button in the annual meeting portal and follow the instructions. We'll pause for a moment to give anyone who hasn't yet voted a chance to vote. Each share of our common stock is entitled to one vote. The time is now 10:07 a.m. Pacific time, and the polls are now closed for voting. The report of the Inspector of Elections covering the proposals presented at the meeting is as follows. The proposal to elect each of Christopher Toomey and Yvonne Linney as a Class 3 Director of Bionano is carried. The selection of BDO USA LLP as Bionano's independent registered public accounting firm for the fiscal year ending December 31st, 2021 is ratified. We expect to report our final voting results on a current report on Form 8K to be filed with the SEC within 4 business days after the end of this meeting. This concludes the formal portion of today's meeting, and we will now entertain questions from stockholders. If you have questions, please enter them into the web portal now. For everyone for their participation. As we have not received any questions from stockholders, the call will end now. Thank you for attending our 2021 annual meeting of stockholders. The meeting is now adjourned.
Well, that was exciting. Well, literally nothing happened. I would go ahead and I would type a question, but there's no freaking thing, man. There's no text box or so. I don't know what he's talking about. But yeah, it didn't allow me. I don't have my control number either. So I can't. I voted forever ago, and I'm pretty sure I voted correct. I still don't know 100% if I voted correctly because it said I voted correctly. It said yada yada, same questions, but I didn't have to enter a control number, and it was way before. It was probably it was way before anything else. But yeah, that was absolutely horrible. So loud. What do you mean? I just turned the gain way down. It should be good. It should be good. Yes, without a control number. Yeah, I'm guessing if you actually are we good? Is it good now? It should be. All right. Yeah, but it was nothing. It was absolutely horrible. Literally zero things happened like we expected. That was horrible, but it was pretty awesome. I mean, it was pretty awesome that bet you're glad you wasted an hour on that. I know. I was eating wings before this, bro. I was eating wings before this. I was having a good time. I was watching Game of Thrones and watching and eating wings. I was having a good time, and I had to finish. I was going so quick. I was trying to just try to eat so quick for that crap, and also the audio didn't work. But we that was the most creative solution of all time to having the audio not work. I still don't know what the hell happened. I'm gonna have to mess with that because I have no idea. I have no idea what happened. I mean, I don't know. But anyways, doesn't matter now. Anyways, yeah, but to sum it up, that was absolutely horrible. Nothing happened. That was horrible. That was absolutely horrible. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. It's like it's an annual meet. I wish they would have. I wish there was questions asked. I can't believe no one asked a question. I wanted to. You saw me, but I logged in as a guest, or when I logged into the thing, I was a guest. So I guess guests can't ask questions at the text box thing. But yeah, I would have loved if they could have said anything that was important at all. But no, it was just the two voting things, the two board of director people. Do you guys like the stream? Do you guys like the stream? The stream title, the low budget. BNGO annual stockholder meeting, low budget. It's so fitting. It's so fitting, and I'm an idiot, right? Because I don't know. I don't even know how to. I don't even know how to get the desktop audio to work. So yeah, and the Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi, and you got audio problems. You got you can't ask a question, and the Wi-Fi is doing horrible. It would be icing on the cake if Bionano was just free falling right now, but it's actually going up somehow. So that's actually good. Oh man, what a crazy freaking time! What a crazy time! Wow, I bet you never seen a stream like that before, guys. Low budget stream, yeah. Look at that volume coming in though. On a serious note, look at that 32K buy order at 782. Hit the ask, buy the shares. Hell yeah. Eric talk, share price go up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was, I mean, God, that was awful. That was awful. Did you guys, was there anything that was not even directly relating to the freaking meeting, to the vote? I mean, I know that's what it's about, but like, oh, anything else would have been nice, Let's see if they said anything on their Twitter while we were out. I bet they didn't. A short but powerful session. Oh, here it is. Oh, crap, this is new. Oh, crap, here we go. All right, let me retweet this real quick. Hold on, this is actually new. Nice. Good. Okay, this is new. Oh my gosh, we're going. I can't even look. We have news, but we're going up right now. Which one do y'all want to see? I say news. I vote news. What do you think? We had no choice. You were the only one streaming it. Oh man. That was awesome. That was awesome, man. That was so awesome. Look at these freaking shares being bought. That's beauty right there. That's beauty. About 20,000 shares just bought at the ask, 784. Another 13,000 to 785. Hell yes. News. All right, yes, let's go. Yes. All right, so here we go. Okay, so that includes a short and powerful section. This is the ACC. This is not, interestingly, this is not the one that's, what do you call it? That's the 9th to 13th, the 9th to 12th thing, right? If we go to upcoming BNGO events, we have an event going on right now. This is the EACR thing. This is the American Cytogenetics Conference. This isn't the EACR. So, but this is cool. This is cool. All right, let's read it, though. I just want to read the BNGO stuff, though. That's all I want. Okay, here we go. Is this just going to link us to them? What? Bro. All right, whatever. I want to see the study. Here we go. Here's the abstract. Genomic profiling in CNS tumors. Okay, wait, let me see how many people actually were in this. Illumina was in this. Okay, so there's going to be several things in here that were not Bionano. Let me see. Does anyone know off the top of their head? Did anyone already looked at this? I want to read the one that's actually Bionano. I guess we're just going to have to. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's no access though. We have no access to any of them. Hold on, let me click on one. It says no access, but then if we click on one, get rights and contents. Oh no. We're going down a rabbit hole, boys. We're going down a rabbit hole. Okay, here we go. We see it. SNP detection. Single nucleotide polymorphism detection. Hold on. Let's see if there's any Sapphire action in here. I don't think there is. There's no Sapphire or mention of BNGO, so I bet this isn't them. This is gonna be a freaking. This is gonna be hard to find out. Article info. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh my gosh. There's so many. There's so many. Hold on. Let me go back here. Does anyone know which one this is? There's a Twitter thread. Yes, I know. We already clicked on it. This is where it takes us. Details. Start was this. What the? Oh, okay. Gotcha. I thought it was May 2021. I was like, what the hell? Which one of these is Bionano? You're gonna have to mine each article. Yeah, I know. I don't know which one. Let's see. Which one is Bionano likely to have helped in? All of these, man. Probably. Fish analysis. We know the Sapphire can definitely help with some fish and some what do you call it? Well, not fish, but that's actually competition. We do FSHD, which is what I was thinking about for a second there. Okay, and interpreting these variants identify the NGS in the setting of complex karyotypes. That could be something. You know what? I don't know. Let me just Control F Sapphire. There's nothing. Oh, here it is. Okay, here we go. Yes, here we go. We got something new. We found it, boys. We found it. Here we go. All right, next generation cytogenetic characterization of 2 complex prenatal cases by Sapphire's genome optical mapping. Yes. Yes, show more. This isn't new, though. This is not new. But they just posted this. That concludes a short but powerful session, but there's like 70,000 things in here. Right? There's like literally thousands of them. Did these all just get done? Are these all different dates? Man, this is not the best setup. Can they have the date here? I mean, it says right here, available online 23rd of March. So I guess it's not new. But then again, are there any of these that are new? Like, why are they posting this, right? It concludes a powerful session just now. If we click on this, it takes us to the same page that we were just at. Well, anyways. Yeah, it looks like this is old, but does it say the date on this page? Yeah, okay. Stuff from last year, nothing new. Yeah. 18 times on Wall Street bets in the last 4 hours. That's horrible. 39th is horrible. That's absolutely awful. Absolutely awful. The thread has 3 presentations in it, and all old research by 3 people. Okay, or 2 or 3. Okay, well, nothing new. Well, all right. Well, hey, whatever. This whole time. Oh my gosh, we had so many failed things. Hey, whatever. We're green, man. Hey, we're green. Come on, boys. We're green. It's time. We need to be happy right now. We're green. Come on, right now. We'll see if we stay green. Right. Let me see what the markets are doing. Okay, so the Nasdaq is doing well, very well. Look at that. What kind of chart is this? We gap up, we go right back down, we go right back up. It's like, what the? Russell, oh, here you go. This is what's helping us out right now. Russell's slowly climbing. Yes. Brandon, did the Bears go into hiding? The answer is yes. They absolutely did. 100,000%. Yeah, but I guess there's nothing new. through all of that work, through all of that digging, we got nothing. Oh, and this is nothing new. Yes, show me the thread. Why is there no link, bro? Oh, it's this thing right here. Yeah, but it's not new. This isn't new, though. There's nothing new. So, dang it. CMO introduced Bionano's optical genome mapping. We've had this for a while. There is nothing new at all. Shorts are starting to cover, it looks like. Well, a little bit. I don't like to say that just because, we've only gone down 1%, 1% of the day. But yeah. We're still, here's the thing. Here, I'll give you a precedent, or kind of like what to expect, right? 39 million is the estimated short interest right now, and that's actually very accurate, right? Because the real data just came out for the 28th of May settlement. It just came out. The publication date was yesterday, right? So now you got 40 million shares right now, which is still higher than the previous 36 million. So yeah, they're covering. Okay, today they're covering. By and large, most of them almost all of them essentially are betting on us going lower. If they don't, you know what's going to happen. We've talked about this many times. New intraday high. Let's go. Let's go. Take that, Bears. 788. 788, man. Yes. Yes. Buying at the ask. Hit the ask. Hit the ask right there. A lot of people have. Should we do it right now? No, I'm not doing it. I don't have no buying power. I mean, I guess I technically do, but not really. You know, not really. Essentially. 787. 787. We got fake walls at almost $8. 789. We got fake walls 788, 799. All fake. Let's go. Hoping it drops to 7 to rebuy shares. Rebuy? You sold out? You sold 100 shares just now, bro. All right. I mean, that's your choice, but okay. Or, oh, yeah, did I say intraday high? Sorry, excuse me. The previous high. Yeah, not the intraday high. Intraday high is way up there, 821. Yeah, sorry if I said that. Sorry, my bad. So the 366 and SENS. Yeah, well, SENS, is that thing freaking doing what I think it is? SENS. Oh, wow. Holy. This thing is still up. Wow. This thing's gone up almost 100%. Again, running again. Is this news? Insider adds to selling trend at SENS. Still goes up, though. Interesting. Testing the previous high. Sold at market open when I sold going down. Oh. No, it's okay. It's okay. You can sell, man. That's fine. Hey, I'm not short-term trading. If I was short-term trading this, you have to sell sometimes when you're short-term trading. That's fine, man. That's fine if you're selling. It's fine. You sell. If it's not for you, if you think we're going to go lower, you sell. That's absolutely fine. Just as long as you understand where we're going long-term, if any of us are at all right about the fundamental analysis. Let me change the title of this stream. Are we trying to stream the whole day now? Are we trying to stream till power hour? Is that our goal here? I guess it depends on the news, right? Or how much we actually have to do. Let me change this to low budget. Low budget stream. Yeah, low budget stream. BNGO stock, low budget stream. Yep, that's where we're gonna leave it at. I don't care. So much FOMO right now. I'm long, but I need to live. Christian, did you sell out? Oh, wait. Come back at 2? You think so? I mean, we're kind of running right now, though. We're kind of running. I feel like I need to stay right now, at least. We can see if we're going to do anything more. You know, we're almost out. Well, we're not almost. Well, no, we're not even that close. Okay, we need to hit 821. We need to get back to the intraday high to test the descending resistance. But right now, we're doing well. I feel like we should stay for now. Sold out completely. That's interesting. Wow. Christian, respectfully, that's fine. You want a short-term trade? That's fine. You don't like the long-term? That's fine. But do you know about the long-term stuff? Do you know about the sapphire? Do you know why it's better than fish and karyotyping and chromosomal microarray analysis? We're not running. We're just warming up for now. Yes, that's right. Thank you for correcting me. We are. We're just warming up. Well, maybe. Pleased with you. I've made your channel part of my daily routine. Never looking back. Thank you for the work you do and the facts you provide. Thank you so much. I am so sorry for the freaking crappy audio problems. I'm so sorry. That was just, I don't know. Guys. It's low budget, and I'm stupid. So, I mean, we figured it out eventually. I mean, it wasn't the best, but it worked. So, I don't know. We'll just leave it at that. And we are wearing the battle jacket today, right? We are wearing the battle jacket. Some people actually asked me yesterday. I'm surprised. But the battle jacket is on. The battle jacket is on. Going back over $8. Wouldn't be surprised. Would not surprise me in the least bit at all. But right now, we are barcoding. We are starting to barcode. We have had barcoding. Dude, look at this. I mean, you want to know what barcoding is? Boom. There you go. Barcoding, that's what it is. And we are starting to barcode again. I believe we're going to close strong. Didn't sell out, just took a profit today. Okay, I understand. Oh. See, look at that. Just a small amount of shares sold at the bid, and then we start going down. get so many shares bought at the ask, right? 34,000 imbalanced share does not move share does not move the price as much as it would have if they were sold. That's what sucks. Hat goes on at power hour. Good, I'll do it. Just remind me. I will forget that. I will definitely forget that. Inflation stuff scares me. I have all my money invested in stocks, so if I get a lower price, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, well, and I want y'all to know there are risks. Some people were getting mad at me earlier because I said BNGO could go to 5 or 6 again, and although it's very unlikely, like less than a 10%, probably less than a 5% chance, maybe 1% next week or this month. If there's a huge Federal Reserve announcement next week, and we also have JP speaking. So you guys know what that could mean, okay? Interest rates rising, tapering. If that's going to happen, everything's going to get decimated short term. That's as simple as it is. So I want everybody to be aware of this, right? Do what you will with that information. You know what I'm doing, okay? I have buying power, but I have not sold one BNGO share, right? We're in the green in a very nice way. We're very green. I'm not selling a share, okay? So but you guys please make your own decision though. Okay. Yeah, taxes. Yeah, and yeah, Miles. I don't really know who you're talking to right there, but yeah, y'all. That's something that we never talk about on the channel. Taxes. One of the reasons why I'm going to be hodling most of my shares is for that long-term capital gains benefits for taxes, man. Capital gain tax benefits. You might as well, if you got a low cost basis, you might as well just add on the dips. If you want to sell on the rips, go ahead. But you hold for a year or more. It's a lot easier. It's a lot safer. It's a lot less stress. It's a lot more. It's just easier. It's just easier to do. Plus, the number one reason, for me. Oh my gosh! All right, I'm just gonna end it. Okay, we're good. We're back. We're back. Yeah, I think we should just I don't know. There's nothing going on right now. We're starting to dump. Oh, we're starting to dump. I don't know. What do y'all want? The Wi-Fi is horrible today. So many stream problems. So many. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think we should do? Kept repeating how we might go and price was dumping. I canceled 25K shares at 754. I just repurchased 778. Yeah. Okay, well, fair enough. You make your own decision. Yeah, that's fine. I understand, my friend. I understand. Thanks for clarifying. Yeah, going all in on the Wi-Fi puts, dude. That's what I would do if I were you. But you look like a pixelated demon. Auspicious, I would be happy to send you a LAN cable. I have the Ethernet. The Ethernet cable is on the way. Oh my gosh, we're dumping almost red right now. They're shorting the Wi-Fi and they're shorting the damn shorting the stock, right? So $7.79. I say I don't know. I say we end it soon and then come back at power hour. That's what I say. It's just there's not enough happening. I don't know. There's just not enough happening today. I feel like there's not enough happening with the stop price, the price action short term. There's no news. We got the freaking stockholder meeting that was absolutely horrible in the stream quality way. I mean, it worked barely, and then also, what do you call it? There's nothing that happened. This is old news. They posted old news to their Twitter again. I don't know. 1 minute SAR. Oh no. Still in bullish territory in the 5 minute though. That's important. That's more important than the 1 minute. You had a 5K today at 766. Well done, my friend. Well done. Yeah, entire market is down. Yep, that's a good point. You don't know if it's gonna dump. Stockholder meeting was my favorite, though. Really? I mean, I guess we heard Eric, right? Every time we hear Eric, stop price goes up, right? That's what someone said. 28,000 shares bought 8 or 780 at the ask. Bad form news in July. I've heard that a couple times. I don't know if it's today, but what's up with all you guys thinking there's going to be a huge news drop in July? I mean, I understand your thinking, right? I understand every single month that we don't get huge news is more likely that we're going to get huge news because they can only hold off on the inquiries that they're getting right now for so long. And all the Sapphire adoptions, you know, it's just a matter of time. But at the same time, like, is that just based on last year, July, they dropped a lot? Is that why y'all think there's going to be a ton of news? What do you think? End quarter company reports. Not always, though, right? I mean, not always. Tomorrow's a new day, which I do see. If it drops below 7, we may be in a little bit of trouble. Quest Diagnostics is on our accounts receivable. That means they owe us money. They owe us money. So yes, they have adopted us, and I guess there has not been any news for. I'm not sure if they've been counted as a Sapphire adoption, but they've owed us money for a while now. They've owed us money for like months. I don't know if they paid it down, but from our last update on the financial on that form, the SEC form, that's the financial stuff. They're on our them and Illumina and Quest Diagnostics are both on our accounts receivable. Eric said in third quarter is when prenatal assays come out. That will be the biggest catalyst until nano nozzle. He also said, well, I think the prenatal assays, the laboratory developed tests, those are going to be big as well. Plus, we got the studies. We got the large clinical studies coming out, right? 1,000 patients in, we got prenatal and postnatal, pediatric, constitutional disorders, all that stuff. You got all that stuff going on. So they've been using Sapphire for a while. Yeah, that's what I think. I mean, based on the accounts receivable, why else would they owe us so much money if it's not for a Sapphire or something, some sort of service or product, right? That's most likely what it is. They said they get preliminary results from clinical trials in quarter 2. I don't know if they. Hold on. Sorry, I believe you, but I have to fact check you because I don't have that. I don't remember that off the top of my head. There we go. They said that in quarter 1, right? Let's control F that, see if we can find. Okay, so prenatal assays. Nothing about that. What did you say? Preliminary results in quarter 2. I remember them saying there's going to be. Oh, for the prenatal and hematological malignancy studies, site recruitment and IRB approvals have begun, and we expect sites to begin to be generating data in quarter 3 for our prenatal studies and in quarter 4 for our heme studies. Yeah, but there's not necessarily any news that's going to be coming out just because there's the start of generation of data necessarily. But I could, hopefully there is, but who knows? Oh my gosh, what is this? All right, we got to hold this. We got to hold the 5-minute bullish tear. We got to hold these. Got to get some support here in a second. Hold on. They said they'd get did they say from clinical trials? Yes, but and this is saying quarter 3, Kieran, James, Kieran. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. Yes, NIPT, yes, we will be in all hospitals, all healthcare markets, yes. Brandon, serious question. I am going to the mountains in September for 1 year with no interest or no internet or cell service. Should I still sell before I go or hodl the whole time I'm there? That's an amazing question. This is what you should do. You should read as much of this as you can and read as much or as many BNGO articles. Go to their website, read all their product stuff. Read all that stuff and then go with your gut. Go with your gut. Read as much as you can and go with what you think, your instinct, man. I'll tell you this as well. If you agree with me at all in our long-term outlook, you want to hodl. You definitely want to hodl. Definitely. If you agree with us, you definitely want to. Yeah, but I don't really, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not really seeing any evidence. I hope you all are right. I think you guys will be right, just because every single month that we haven't already had big news is another month that it's more likely to get big news. A little bit, not much of a percentage chance higher, but still higher, right? We had like no PR this month, but there's really no evidence that I've found based on what you guys have said for July being a big thing, right? July is the start of quarter three. But this isn't necessarily, we're not necessarily going to get PR because they're just starting to generate data in quarter three. So I hope y'all are right. And also, as we get closer to the end of the year, right, quarter three and quarter four, historically, especially quarter four, and according to a quote by Eric, right, quarter four is when those freaking clinics and labs and institutions and hospitals, they are all freaking on the prowl for freaking stuff, for products, man, or for some, maybe not. He didn't say that necessarily, but he just said that's their strongest quarter as far as sales. That's what he's basically said before. 775 right now. Huddle, but don't get your hopes up. Expect it to be under 5 when you get back. Dude, you're insane. A year? A year? Oh my gosh, you're insane. Dude, you think Bionano is going to be under 5 in a year? You're the first long-term bear I've ever met. You're insane. You're insane. Because their budget has money to buy stuff up. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. According to the CEO. According to Eric Holman, the legend. Hold. Yes. There are major whales waiting for the drop so they can hop on the train they missed. This is why Wall Street bets will not endorse. How do you know how do you know? No one knows, man. Let me break it to all the fools out there, man. No one knows what the hell whales are waiting for. If there are whales, no one knows where we're going to go. No one knows the freaking market's future, man. You can't predict the future with stocks. I mean, you can get them right. You can get right sometimes, get lucky. You can be good, but you're never going to know what's going to happen. So that's why I hate people when they say, "Oh, I know why we're." I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it, man. We already have major whales in. We already have them in. Institutional ownership was 4% not 1 month ago. Now it's at 15%. Of course, the institutional filings, the 13F filings, are delayed for about a quarter and 45 days. From the if you measure that from the start of the first current quarter, the first day in the current quarter of the transaction, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. It's not. I explained that poorly. Basically, 13Fs are very late. Just think of it that way. When the institutions file their freaking forms, the transaction was usually 3 months or at least a few months before. Why do you think they are fighting us in Wall Street bets? Well, I'll tell you one thing. There's several reasons why. And one reason is because BNGO would take hype and money and interest away from AMC and GME. That's obvious, okay? It doesn't take a genius to figure out, these guys want to censor other stocks so they can actually pump their own stocks to make more money, right? It's just human nature. It's just greed, man. It's just wanting to make more money. A little bit of corruption, they'll take that cost to have more money, potentially. They'll do it. The Wall Street Bet mods certainly have before. They are continuing to do it as to this day, right? They've done other stocks as well. It's not just BNGO. Now, BNGO is the worst one by far that since they've censored everything. There's literally only like less than 10 BNGO posts that are up in the last month. Probably. Maybe less than that. Probably less than that. But that's why. That's why, my friend. They don't want. It makes perfect sense. Think about it. If you're an AMC holder or GME or BlackBerry or Clover, whatever, why would you let BNGO not? Why would you not censor that, right? If BNGO gets out there and if you're reading it, especially, and you realize, holy shit, this guy might be right. There is potential here, and if this actually gets through, a lot of the apes are going to take their money from AMC into BNGO. Wow, okay, I should probably do something. I should probably remove it. That's what they're thinking. And that doesn't mean it's not evil, but that's why they're doing it. It is evil and it is corrupt, and they are the mods that are removing shit, they have become the evil that they sought out to destroy, right? Or at least that they've claimed to try to destroy. They have become similar to that. A similar vein of corruption they have become. And it sucks. It sucks. That is our deep into these meme stocks. Yeah, dude, I've heard a lot of people say that Wall Street Bets is run by hedges. I don't know if that's true, but I don't know. I don't think that's true necessarily, but yeah. Wall Street Bets is the antichrist of trading. Really? The antichrist of trading, is that true? Is it that evil? I mean the mods have been evil, but dude, Wall Street Bets, I mean they do technically have, even if they are, I mean overall it might be a net positive for the market. To be honest with you, it might be. It might be. A lot of money transferred from the hedges, from the billionaires to the retail investor. And I'm not talking about, oh, socialists, let's do freaking communism. No, I hate communism with all my guts. Okay, I'm not one of those people that don't understand things. But and when it comes to that, but this is literally just organically using the free market to take money from the freaking billionaires coming back into the freaking people that don't have so much. I mean, what's not to like about that? I mean, there's something, right? There's something good about Wall Street Bets, right? If there's a lot of things that suck about it, but at least there's some good things, right? It's something. Are you joining the stockholders meeting? That the stockholder meeting ended. You can if you want to, you can rewind and watch it. It's really funny what happened and sad and depressing. But long story short, nothing happened. You don't need to watch it. So I came from a communist company. Company? Okay, I was about to say, like, what? Like the freaking most insane union of all time? Like, literally getting paid like $100 an hour for, like, freaking janitor or something? I was about to say, like, what kind of crap is that? Oh, man. All right, 775. Nothing to talk about. Let me check the institutional filings. How long has it been? How long? Let's see how long it's been since we actually got another 13F. Since the 4th. It's been a week, man. It's been a week since we got a filing. Very weird. Very weird. You guys remember the days when we used to get one of these every day? I do. I certainly do. Look at all the freaking ones on the 17th, man. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's like more than 20. It's 20. There's 20. There's more. There's like 30 filings on one day. They all wait till the very last time. That's why. Let's refresh their Twitter. Cup and handle. Oh. Not really. Unless we get a breakout right here and start break above the previous high. I mean, don't you know what, this could be a cup and handle because look, okay, this is a level of resistance and we did get rejected at that perfectly, but the thing is right here, there's not really a clear level right here that you started the cup at, right? Plus it's kind of modified, so it's like I don't really know. I'm not going to call it a cup and handle, I guess. But yeah, let me see. We are still in bullish territory, I think. Yeah, okay, here we go. We need to hold this level right here. Wow, we're really trying to break it now. We're trying to go back into bearish territory. According to Eric, during Q2, we should have accreditation of sapphire-based laboratory developed tests and in the muscular dystrophy, FSHD disease in some EU markets. Good. Brandon, I just read your DD. Not bad. Thank you. I appreciate that, my friend. I appreciate that. It's quiet. Too quiet. It is. It is. It's too quiet. There's been nothing happening for the company last, like, what? The last... Since ER, really. Since May 13th has been the real last PR, right? We've got Twitter stuff all the time, but we haven't got, right, if you look at the actual website, the news section, there's pretty much nothing. Okay, we got the new CCO. That's great. And then we got another presentation. That was nothing. Okay, I mean, this is not real PR. Okay, I mean, I don't think many of you understand the PR that they could drop at any second here. I mean, we're talking about inquiries from Europe, from overseas countries, man, about getting a sapphire. That's what we're talking about. Inquiries about that. That's what we're talking about right now. I heard PetBio is a communist company. Wouldn't surprise me. Their tech is awful. Calm before the storm. If the markets give us a chance, we'll see $10 next week, most likely. Most likely. Okay, I'm not saying we're gonna squeeze. I'm not saying we're going to for sure. Please understand me, guys. There's been basically there's not been anyone misunderstanding me, but there's been a little bit of confusion in the earlier stream. But no, there's 1,000 possibilities on the table. I don't know what's gonna happen for sure, but I do know that. Well, I don't know. I think it is likely that we see $10 a share next week if the markets give us any favors. I think. Well, I shouldn't say it's like there's a realistic chance for it. I'll say realistic chance, definitely by end of month. And the reason why I say that, you guys know why I say that, okay? Because I Wall Street bets, they cannot censor BNGO forever. I mean, I guess they technically can, but I don't think they will. Everything is possible. Well, it is. I have to say it. So the last time the PR was this quiet, they dropped the UK news. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, I don't know if that's actually true though, because the UK news, the NHS, there was a ton of news throughout the downtrend. But I get what you mean. Maybe you're right. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. We just got a perfect bounce and formation of a hammer candle right now. It'll probably turn back into freaking red. It'll probably turn it back into, because I'm jinxing it right now. But look at that. Freaking bounced off the 5-minute stop and reverse SAR indicator, man. Would love if this is just a cool down in consolidation for some continued running up into power hour. And then power hour, you know what we need in power hour. 21,000 shares just bought 776. Up, down, sideways, BNGO does it all. Brandon, ticker symbol BNDO, I'm all in. I just got back. Anything important? No. Not really. No, it's pretty much just boring. It's pretty much just boring, to be honest with you. Oh, y'all are too funny. But yeah, there's nothing really that happened, to be honest with you. There's nothing that happened. It's just boring. I think we're gonna end the stream. I think we're gonna end the stream within I think we're gonna end the stream and we're gonna come back for power hour. Yeah. Because here's the thing, guys. Here's the reason why we've been streaming so long these last few days. It's because there's so much more interest in BNGO, right? We're actually doing well. People like the stock when it's a high price. People hate the stock when it's a low price, right? They're not being greedy when others are fearful. They're being fearful when others are fearful, right? That's just how it is. And vice versa with greedy with other people being greedy. Today, this week, we've had a ton of crazy stuff. We've had news with CCO, Leaps. We've had 1,000 things that have made it really interesting for us to stream all the time. The typical, we typically don't stream all day, though. I mean, most of y'all know this, okay? We don't stream every market open day, literally the entire market open to market after hours. So, I don't know. Maybe I think we are going to calm down on the schedule, maybe. There's just not, I mean, if we start going parabolic like we can, obviously, you guys know, I think there is I think there's a very realistic, very real chance of that happening. Gamma squeeze, the expiration dates for the calls are literally the 18th of June. A lot of people are holding. And expecting the stop price to go higher because they're already in the profit, man. They're already in the profit. All right, if we go to open interest right here, right? A lot of people are holding it. It's as simple as it gets. Out the money options, man. $10 strike price, $9, $8 strike price, man. They're holding. If you go to the puts, no, not many people are holding, right? Most of the people that are, this is just hedges. This is just people hedging their positions, man. Literally, that's all it is. So yeah, back on that one side though. Obi-Wan, thank you so Obi-Wan BNGO. Thanks for being you. Thank you so much, my friend. I really appreciate that, my friend. God, I feel so bad with all with this great community that I freaking can't even stream with proper audio on a freaking stockholder meeting and everything, man. I mean, we technically did. It technically worked, but you know, it sucked. I mean, it was okay. I don't know. You know what I mean? And the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is the real problem, right? I do have the Ethernet cable ordered. That was ordered yesterday. Coming in soon. Can someone explain quarters to me? Like quarters in 4 quarters for the year? Is that what you mean? There's 4 quarters in a year. 3 months is a quarter. There's 4 quarters, right? Divide 12 by 4, you get 3 quarters. Well, 4 quarters, but 3 months each. Sorry. I probably just confused you. there. Oh, man, that's too funny. Sorry. Okay, so 3 months is 1 quarter, right? So March 31st, that's the end of quarter 1. And then the end of this month is going to be the end of quarter 2. Looking at the 30-minute triangle pattern chart, we are on an ascending level. Wait, what do you mean? My friend Ivan? I know you know what you're talking about. What do you mean? Do you mean this? This is the only ascending level that I can see that I can draw right now. I mean, I could be missing something, sure, but I mean, the only ascending level that I'm seeing is right here. Which that totally be it. That totally could be it, but I don't know. I mean, you know, I don't know. Yes, put on the Gandalf hat and tell us what the future will be for BNGO. Oh my gosh, you guys are too. I love how much we mix Lord of the Rings with stocks. It's so good. It's so good. It's unnatural as it should be. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. Still bullish. Still bullish. SAR. We're still in bullish territory in the SAR, man. We are holding the level of support. I like it. Short-term bullish if this holds. Please make your own decisions, though. Please make your own decisions. You guys know I have to say it. I have to say it. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Let's hit that short share availability according to Fintel. Look at that. There you go. 2 million yesterday, decreasing. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. 2 hours ago or 6 hours ago, it was only 2,000. This tells you how much the freaking shorts, and I mean, don't even worry about this. Just look at the Ortex data, right? Ortex data, it is what it is. It is what it is. You can't make it up. Can't make it up. All right. Yeah, when trading, use Ethernet cable. It's faster and more secure. Yeah, I should definitely do that, but I don't. But I have the Ethernet cable coming in. And that's why hodling, selling some on the dips, buying some on the dips, selling some on the rips is a good option sometimes. That's pretty much what I'm doing, but I accept not the selling part, right? Wait, why does that mean? Does that mean you like Palantir because Lord of the Rings? I don't understand the reference. Why? Is Palantir's connected to Lord of the Rings somehow? Why? I do like Lord of the Rings, though. Come on. Come on now. What is the price target by end of June? That's a good question. End of price target by end of June for Bionano. Oh man, there's so many contingencies. If the markets and inflation and JP wasn't here, I would say $9 or $10 easily. But with the headwinds, it's so risky. I don't know. I really don't want to give you one. I don't want to give you one because I'm not very confident in one. It's just here's the thing, man. We're gonna see all-time highs this month if Wall Street Bets stops censoring us. The PR, look at that beauty right there, man. Look at that beauty. SAR is moving up. We got the orders coming in, buying at the ask, helping the stock price move higher. That's what you want to see. We're we're in the green now. I love it, man. The goal today is to close above 8. But we'll see if it happens. Yeah, but yeah, end of month price target is just I know we're gonna do well if I'm right about the company. I just don't know when. So I'm not very confident in that answer, man. I try to only give you guys answers that I'm very confident in, that I actually am informed about. You know, I don't want to say, oh, $12 when I'm not that confident in it. So I'm sorry. I know I'm boring. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but here's the thing. If I were to say 12 or something really good and then it was not 12, literally no one would forget it, right? Everyone forgets your good calls. They only remember the bad calls, right? That's just how it is. I understand all the risks. I understand the freaking what it means to freaking do what we're doing here, right? I understand it. I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you. 779 right now. All right. The new BNGO will be BNGO. Yes, it will. Let's get that Viagra and keep it up. Let's pin that. That deserves a pin. Why name the header low budget stream? Because the start of the stream, because the only way to make it in life is to make fun of yourself when you're being stupid, and I was very stupid at the start of the stream. And I still am. I still don't know what the problem is. I still don't know how to fix the audio. I still don't know the desktop audio. It's going, but there's no decibel for some reason, which I tried to fix it, but I couldn't on stream, so I had the result of putting the mic on the freaking keyboard to get the freaking stockholder meeting audio in. It technically worked, but it's shame. So yeah, low budget stream. That's why. Yeah, that's why. That is why. Don't like SENS, too invasive. Too invasive and won't be as big as people think. Also needs weekly calibration and an annual replacement of the chip. See, here's the thing. I've seen so many comments like that on SENS, right? And I've also seen the chart where there's serious advantages for SENS and there's serious disadvantages and advantages that the competition has. So with me not being a diabetic, not being able to test that out, and without proven innovation left to come that I know of, it's like, well, I don't know. I'm not bearish on SENS. I just don't know enough about it, right? So that's when people ask me, do you like SENS? Do you love it? I'm like, well, I don't. I've seen serious concerns, but I'm not sure about it. That's why I say that. Is there any SENS people in here? What do y'all say about that? Is that wrong? What do you think? Is this forming a cup and handle? It looks like it kind of is, but I would be surprised if it's not, if it actually is, because it's just we've seen this. Cup and handles are actually one of the most likely chart patterns to actually like come to fruition as far as price targets. But the amount of fake outs that the amount of fake cup and handles and, like, cup and handles that fake you out, cup and handles that look like cup and handles but they don't actually turn out to be a cup and handle. There's a lot of those. I'm up on SENS almost 1K from someone shouted out here the other day, holding for FDA, just some quick dollars. Kevin is back. Kevin, glad to see you here, man. You are one of the you are the OG, dude. I bet Kevin is the freaking. Well, I mean, he hasn't really been here recently in the community, I understand, but yeah, this guy was freaking. You were in here in the freaking early days, man. That's freaking awesome that you're still here, still hodling, huh? What's your was down 30K, now up 4K, dude? Hell yes, that's the best thing that I can freaking. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome, man. That's absolutely awesome. That's the power of conviction and due diligence and hodling through. That's the power of it, man. If you average down a lot like me, I mean, I know a ton of you averaged down and got way better average prices than I did. And me, okay, this is every time BNGO is down these days, literally this is what I do to the bears. I just show them, hey, the money is not, we don't care about the money. What we care about is the percent, okay? When the bears start bragging to you, you remember if you bought the dip on Bionano, you are up an insane amount. I don't do this to brag. I do this for transparency reasons, okay? I do it for transparency reasons. Still in bullish territory in the 5-minute. Lowell was up 100K though, Lowell. Hey, at least you're up now, man. Hell yeah, that sucks. That sucks. But here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. It's absolutely awesome that you are where you are right now. It's absolutely awesome that we're still alive, but now. It's awesome that we're still alive now. But yeah, man, it's absolutely awesome. It's absolutely awesome. It is on days like these. I mean, I guess we're floating in between green and red today. Today's a weird day. But it really is on weeks like these, we really do have to be thankful for our due diligence and our research. And you also have to ask yourself if you're willing to hold through potential more carnage, right? You have to ask yourself that. Is this a stock that you're willing to hold through even if it continues to go down, right? Are you willing to hold through? For me, the answer is yes. For you, you need to ask yourself that. And you need to determine it, because the last thing I want. Here we go. Wow, I think we're maybe about to get the bearish flip here. We've been testing this as a support so many times, and we're only a few more cents, and we're gonna get the bearish flip on the 5-minute. We can still end the day above 8 if we do, but like our chances go down significantly. Wait, I care about money. That's true. That's true. I've already held through the carnage, though. Yeah, I will hodl. Yes, I will hodl. Yes. Did you go over the recent tweets? Yes, I did, but there's nothing new. As long as recent isn't like an hour ago, I went over them. Yes. Yes. This is nothing new. This is nothing new that I saw. Power hour will require the hat, Brandon. Yeah, remind me. I will wear the hat. Just remind me to wear it, and I will. SENS is a game changer. FDA approval for 180 days version. Working on the 360-day version with less calibration. Takes something. Visit the change. Most accurate device in the market recently confirmed. What do you say? Hey, Mr. Adore, I appreciate that, but what do you say about the weekly calibration or whatever thing? What do you say about the thing that you scroll up and see the SENS bear? I think it was JJ, his comment right there. EARC versus ACC. Yeah, the American Cancer Association, and the other one. Yeah, this one is the American Cytogenetic Conference, whatever thing, right? The EACR, right? If you actually go to the upcoming events for Bionano here, this is still happening right now, right? This is the European Association for Cancer Research. This is the American Cytogenetic Conference. So we still technically we have a potential catalyst in the form of this that's still going on right now, right? It's June 10th right now. Still got a couple days left for this. So I would not be surprised if they do drop some PR about this, or at least if these guys drop something about this, right? Although I do think that you have to actually pay for this one, which is actually not good. But hopefully they drop some. Hopefully they drop, like, I don't know, something about it, Bullish triangle pattern. Oh, okay. You have an SNDL line drawn up way before. Okay, let's see if I can match you on that. Wait, let's see if we're still, man, we're literally holding on for dear life. Okay, let me get the 4 hourly here then. Okay, so you're drawing something up like this. Like right here. How did you get that? Yeah, I'm not really seeing that. Yeah, there's not any. Look at this, okay? I mean, yeah, there's a couple validations, but not many. Not many. But it is something. Hey, I'll take it. It is something, right? It's something. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm not complaining. We'll take it. We'll take it. We're still in an ascending level. Short term, we're in an ascending level as well, right? Obviously, we got the ascending level right here. Still in bullish territory. Oh my gosh, it's trying so hard to flip this to bearish. It's trying so hard. All right, yo. Nonetheless, props for pushing for something you believe in, my dude. Thank you so much. If you're talking to me, FDA for soon for 100 days already proven to you. All right, can they not short our shares if we put in a high ass sell order? Yeah, that's something that you can do. Yes, that you can do that. Yes. Yes, that should help. That should help. Now, of course, market makers don't give a crap if you're putting a sell order in. They'll still freaking naked short and still do the short ladder task. But yeah, you can certainly do that, and that will help. The other thing you can do is turn off the stock lending program on Webull, right? If you go on your mobile, I think you can do it on the desktop version as well. But if you go to the mobile app on Webull, right? It's one. I think I haven't done it in months because I've had it off for a long time. But it's one of those. You know, when you the free stocks, the referral stuff, the events, the free wheel stuff, that it's on those things. I think the stock lending program, it should be, I think, and then just turn it off, and then they won't be able to. No, technically, then your shares shouldn't be lent out to shorts. And what that does is that decreases naturally the short share availability right here, right? It decreases that. And what that means is that if the shorts were trying to get way more shares, not only would the borrow fee rate, not only would it become more closer to a hard to borrow stock, more higher cost of borrow rate, more short borrow fee rate, higher that because short shares would be more in more demand inherently, right? Because there's less supply. But it would just make them harder. It would make there's less short shares available. Like literally, right? That's better. Okay, that's better for the stock, obviously, for obvious reasons. Yeah, naked shorting is still gonna happen. It doesn't matter. They will still naked short. And naked shorting is illegal. Okay, if they're naked shorting already, which I believe they are, and we've already seen AMC. We've already seen lawsuits and cases, court cases about naked shorting recently. Okay, it's a lot of news headlines it's in. All right, it's already proven to have been happening. It would make perfect sense if it is and has happened in Bionano's price action in these last few months. Robinhood lends them out, no choice, and keeps the money. Yes, sir. Shorting yourself by using Robinhood. I agree, man, and I know this is in my best interest, but you can switch over to Webull and get free money in the process through like free stock, like free $20 if you want to. There is a link in the description. I'm sorry. Quick plug. I'm sorry. Oh man. Laura, think intermediate and long term. Yes. Tick for tick watching is more for day traders. Yes. Yes. What did Laura say? Yes, think positive. Every time the price drops a penny or two, you make bear predictions. I think it makes people like myself panic. No, hey, no, I'm not making bear predictions. Well, short term, if the technicals are bearish, I'm going to call it bearish, okay? Guys, the last thing I want is to freaking give you false hope when we have a falling knife, if that ever happens, okay? Which, in my opinion, if we're going down and people call a falling knife, it's just a buying opportunity. At least that's what I think. Okay, please make your own decision. But yeah, when I talk about the 5-minute stuff, short term, it doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. Here's the thing there. I agree, Laura. I really appreciate your concerns, Laura. I really love that you're being respectful and nice, and you're a bull, and you're agreeing with me, and you're trying to work with me here. I love it. You're great. You're one of the only persons that's had the courage to do this so respectfully. But I think, but short term, if we're going to flip to bearish on the 5-minute, that doesn't matter, okay? And here's why. The fundamentals of the company is going to prevail and force the stock price to be higher than freaking $10, higher than all-time highs, in my opinion. Do you know why? Because when you get PR that is about nano nozzle and about market penetration and about academic praise on why the sapphire is good on prenatal, postnatal, hematological malignancies and leukemia and lymphomas, solid tumor research, right? Blood cancers. I mean, you can't negate this stuff. And more importantly than all that stuff, earnings. earnings reports, revenue beats, earnings per share, profitability, 2023, 2024 at the latest, right? This is the stuff that's going to make us go higher. Short term, do you know? That's the stuff that, what I just told you, right? Stay with me here. What I just ranted about, that is what determines the stock price at the end. What happens now, what you're seeing today, right? Short term, even in the next few weeks, unless we get some fundamental increase in the company, the stock price right now is just what people think it is, okay? People don't know about the revenue beats that are likely to happen because they don't do the digging like we do, at least in my opinion, okay? They don't know about nanonozzle. They haven't read the patents. They haven't spent hours looking at the freaking jargon and squint and, okay, they don't do the work that a lot of us have done. They don't know about the shit. That's why the stock price is as low as it is right now, in my opinion. All right, but there are serious market headwinds. Short term, yes, it is risky, but obviously I'm holding on my shares. Okay, please make your own decision though. I'm very bullish. Okay. Keep calling it like it is. If anyone is investing their own money in it, their own responsibility is to do DD on the company and have some knowledge of TA, technical analysis, and stock charting. Yes. Yeah, I gotta call it how it is, man. I'm not trying to call it bullish if it's bearish. No, I'm not trying to do that. Okay, I'm sorry if it worries you, my friends, but sometimes here's a fact for you. Even if we're gonna have a Bitcoin, all right, let me give you an example. Let me give you a good example, right? If we look at Bitcoin's chart, I mean, look at this. Okay, do you know how many freakouts there were? I remember very well during this downturn right here. People were freaking out, okay? Freaking out. All right, I was adding on the dip on Mara, man. I mean, I think this was, yeah, that was right before the channel was started, right? I started the channel like in February, right up here. I was loading the dip on Mara, all right? FUD, bears, okay? We're going down short term. If you were able to just have a long-term outlook, okay, what's happening, right? And my actual point here is that, right, I'm going to have to call it bearish sometimes short-term because guess what? Even on the most aggressive uptrends like Bitcoin has had, 3,000 to freaking 64,000 at highs and now 38,000, you're still going to get short-term downtrends. So I have to call it how it is. Man. We still have the bullish SAR, don't we, man? That's nice. We still do. Wow. All right. Stay calm when we dip, spaz when we rip. Our administration is strong in marketing. The Bionano marketing team is good. Yes. Wow, we're really trying to break this. Oh, we're about to. Okay, it's not the end of the world if we do. I'm just trying to tell you that, yeah, we're about to get the bearish flip on the 5-minute. Okay, it's not the end of the world. Okay, it literally means nothing long-term, midterm, even today. It maybe doesn't even mean anything, okay? BNGO fundamentals bullish. BNGO price action probably bearish in the short term, somewhat bullish midterm, very bullish long term. Yeah, I kind of agree with that assessment. I kind of agree. I wouldn't say, well, yeah, we might be. Here's the thing. Okay, wow, right when I say that, I was about to say we're looking not that bad in the short term, but then we just get the bearish flip on the SAR. I was going to say, though, if you look at the 4-hourly, this is why it's a little bit bearish in the short term, right? We confirmed the breakdown below the 21 SMA on the 4-hourly, right? But here's another thing, right? Short term, I guess this is more midterm, not really though. If we can just go sideways, even if we do dip, right, that 21 SMA on the daily, that is going to be even stronger than the 4-hourly, right? And I think there's a very low chance that we don't get a huge bounce off of this, okay? We have not actually retraced to this since, May 26th? All right, we have not broken above this and confirmed the breakout since an uptrend. Okay, that just tells you why we're in an uptrend macroscopically. We are now in an uptrend. Okay, that's just a fact. Based on the daily SMA, when you're above it, you're in an uptrend. When you're below it, you're in a downtrend. Right? That's what we've seen historically, and that's what we're seeing right now. We're way above it. That's just how it is. The super trend is still bullish though. All right. Posted a small news story referencing alt, Chobby, and BNGO on Discord. BNGO News. Thank you. Probability data for the ortex for the 2 buy signals. MoveNet's predicted 85% of the 7 times this is triggered in the past, and this just got triggered yesterday. Earnings per share, EPS type 1. Does that stand for something else? And then RSI type 1 and short squeeze. 3 buy signals for BNGO yesterday, or 2 days ago on 8th of June, right? It has an 85% accuracy Oh man, that's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. 63% of the 11 times that is triggered in the past, right? So it's more likely that the short squeeze is going to be. Yeah, it's more likely that these buy signals are going to be good. It's as simple as it gets. Okay, CMO mentioned on the credits. Is this new? Please tell me this is new. Okay. And you said our CMO was mentioned on the credits. Hmm. Okay, notes for editors. Okay, so there she is, Al-Kachabi. It appears online in advanced. It looks like it was published. What? July 2021? It's what? It's June. In line of advance of this. Maybe it's gonna be published then. I don't know. Okay, anyways, that doesn't matter. What actually is this? Saliva can be more effective in than okay, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Swabs for COVID-19 testing. Really, we're still doing COVID-19 testing, right? Really, really. Is there anything else in here? Dr. Cole is the same one that what do you call it? Sapphire can work with saliva, not blood. Yeah, but there's no mention of the sapphire in here, though, at all. Is there? I mean, I don't know. I haven't looked at it all yet, but is there? I don't think there is. What makes you think this? What makes you think that just because the CMO is listed makes saliva more likely to be included in future samples? There's nothing mentioning anything about Bionano in here. This is talking about. This is just talking about saliva as a sample, as opposed to the swabs that we do right now, right? You're gonna have to, unless I'm missing something here, you're gonna have to provide more evidence, my friend. I believe you. You know what you're doing, but I don't really know why you think this relates to Bionano. More effective than this. Yeah, why does this doesn't. Would it be involved if Sapphire wasn't a part of the research? Oh, okay. Well, yes, but why didn't they list them? I guess maybe, yeah. Here's the question for you. When was this study done? Right? It was published it was published today, but when was it done? Did this get done like a year ago, like 5 months ago or 3 months ago before she was our CMO? Was this with her? Was this when she was with a different company, or is this now? Full text of the study is available to be credentialed journalists upon request. Damn. Yeah, I would like that full study. Settings with pooling. Okay. Bye. So she was involved. So she did. She was involved in the study / article / both / basically just study. It would make more sense. And this is how I think we will end up with that government spending money for testing. Again, what? You tell me that the sapphire was somehow used to determine that saliva is actually better, sometimes more effective than the traditional swabs for COVID-19 testing. Addition of a simple processing steps to saliva samples before testing may improve COVID-19 detection rate, eliminate challenges of the previous testing, and facilitate mass surveillance. Researchers report. This is certainly interesting. You know what? Tell you what, I'm gonna. All right, tell you what, I'm gonna do some research on this later, and I'm gonna have an answer. If this is anything, I'm gonna have an answer for you later today. All right, I'm gonna use some sources, some nice sources that we have access to, luckily, and see if this is actually anything that we should be worrying about. Also, what's up with this freaking grammar, man? What's up? Why is there not? It looks like my grammar. The research was carried out at Augusta University. They have a Sapphire system. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure. Let me fact check you there. I believe you. I need to fact check you though. Hold on. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, it's by the same doctor. Yeah, this guy. All right, here we go. Let me do this. Okay. If we just look up, right? If we just go ahead and paste and search this, and then add in BNGO Sapphire, I bet the articles will come up with him. Right there, you go. Okay, this guy has used the same person who's been in this. Right, lead investigator is the same guy that has used Sapphire in the last few freaking weeks and months for freaking laboratory developed tests, man. And laboratory developed tests, research and cultivation. So yeah, I see what you mean. There is definitely a Sapphire here. I just don't know why they didn't mention the Sapphire in this. That's my skepticism, but I like it. I like your thinking. Kieran. The article published May 3rd. What is this? Oh, come on. Okay. So basically you're telling me that this doctor has also used the Sapphire in COVID-19 research, which would increase in the aggregate the proclivity for Sapphire usage in more COVID-19 testing, given that he's already done it before. That makes sense. But there's still nothing hard. There's still no hard evidence here. To get the insurance codes. We're going to be getting some. Or we're going to be doing something that relates to that. We're going to get it. What is it? I forgot the freaking, what is it? Okay, hold on. I'm sure you know this, but we are getting, hold on. Right. Okay. So the path to reimbursement of Sapphire-based laboratory developed tests by third-party payers. Right. So they can get reimbursement after we get this accreditation. I guess, to my understanding, it's very complicated stuff. Okay. So here it is. Validation of 3 laboratory developed tests total with billing codes by sites in both our prenatal clinical study and validation of 3 laboratory developed tests total with billing codes. And where's the thing that says the insurance codes or whatever? I thought there was. Dang it, I'm making stuff up in my head now. Damn it. I can't find it. That's really interesting. This is why we're the best freaking community. This is why we're the best Bionano community, dude. No other freaking community would be digging this deep on the freaking article, man. I mean, here's the thing though. I don't know why they wouldn't have the Sapphire in here, man. And of course, they don't have the Sapphire listed at all in this. But here's the thing: did they find out about this achievement? Did they come up with this workflow here, protocol, the Saliva U protocol, with that full genome map with the Sapphire somehow? The only way they could have done this, I don't think so. I don't know. The billing codes are the insurance codes. The billing codes are what insurance companies use. Okay, yeah. All right, gotcha. That's what I thought. Yes. Okay, I've been seeing some of the stocks I am watching on Top Analyst, just waiting for our day. We were just on there we were on there this week. We were on there this week, my friend. But yeah, we are. Yeah, we'll get there. I think. I think we will. It's from Messenger Moist, but not me. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes it. Okay, really? Sapphire's extremely sensitive structural variation detection technology. The article published May 3rd, yes. Excellent article. If Sapphire can be linked to it explicitly, that would be great. Here's the thing. In my mind, I'm trying to be really realistic, because this would be great if it was real. But I honestly, even if this was real, I don't really see people caring about it. But for the people who actually do the work, we know it's just more proof of concept, more freaking applications that no one knows about. But here's the thing: why would a new saliva protocol for COVID-19 testing? Why would they be able to find out about that and do that because of a genome map of greater than 500 base pairs? Large SV detection with Sapphire. I mean, was it because they were testing saliva and they were like, oh wow, okay, this actually, there's a translocation here, or what? I don't even understand half the stuff. Okay, okay, this little thing in the genome right here, I don't know what it is. I'm not a geneticist, right? This may mean that we could use the saliva for COVID-19 testing. Could that be it? Otherwise, I don't really see any way why or how the Sapphire would be used in this kind of research. I don't know why else it would be. Sapphire is the last step to validate, compare what the protocol returns. Maybe, yeah. Compare what the protocol returns. So if they are going to use the saliva, so they do the saliva sample, they put it in this little thing, and they're testing with COVID-19, and then they use the Sapphire to check what it came out with, to compare that with what was the previous method, which would be this right here. I think, does that make sense? Does that make sense? This is complicated stuff. This is taking my brain cells away. It's important because it's easier. The standard for sequencing is blood samples, cheaper and faster. Yeah, you can do blood samples for Bionano. You can do tissue samples. You can do other samples as well that I'm forgetting off the top of my head. They can then use the saliva to diagnose autism at lineagen, so it looks like saliva has enough high muscular weight DNA for other genetic issues too, right? Remember, the thing with Bionano, the samples have to be uncorrupted DNA molecules, right? It has to be a long DNA molecule that's not corrupted, in order for the nanochannels to actually be able to linearize it. And actually, that's the intellectual property, that what makes the Sapphire special, partly, right? That those hundreds of thousands of nanochannels that linearize that stuff. So you're saying the saliva, you can use that as well. So, okay, if we actually, hold on a second. Let me go and see. Hold on. Let me go right here. Hold on. Right now, saliva is not one of the samples that you can use Bionano with. Are you trying to imply to me that maybe they're able? I mean, well, you're saying at lineagen they are, not at Bionano. So 100% correct, sir. So imagine the possibilities if they can use the saliva for testing. So hold on a second. Let's clarify here for everyone that's trying to follow along and really confused, because I'm confused as well a little bit. Okay, this is really complicated stuff. Basically, you're telling me there's a chance that not only did they use the Sapphire in some way, whether they did the reference map that Bad Form was talking about, or actually they used the Sapphire to actually realize that, okay, saliva may be actually something good, and they tried it and it turned out to be good. But you're also telling me that the Bionano, we may be able to do saliva samples now, added into, we can also do blood samples and the tissue samples. We can now do saliva samples. That would be huge. That would be huge, but there's no way. I mean, if the CMO knew this, why wouldn't they drop that in a PR if that's a new thing? That would be a huge innovation for the Sapphire. There's no way, man. There's no way. I mean, I want to believe this, but why wouldn't they already have said this? Plus, I feel like we're making too many leaps here. I don't know. I think you should just interview them. It's too complicated. How many people are their brain is just like, yeah, nope. Lineagen has been bought by BNGO, as you know. Yeah, there's a subsidiary of BNGO, of course, yes. The patient gets mapped, then COVID sample is compared to the patient. The patient gets their genome mapped, then COVID sample is compared. I mean, just extrapolating from the study and the previous quotes from Eric and one of the doctors, but they have been working on it for a long time. They're setting up the short squeeze. I saw the Sapphire was going to be used t-test for the UK variant. Have you seen that? Send me a link for that. You need to explain a little bit more. I don't. The UK variant. I think I know. No, I think I know what you're talking about, but I don't think I have the article on me. Does anybody know where they got where? What the? This I don't know. Here, let me go ahead. If anyone wants to go review this and see if they can find anything that I'm not, I'll link it right there. If I can. Maybe not. Hold on, let me try it again. This is interesting. This is interesting. I feel like we're being a little bit too generous, though. I mean, if they let's say bull case scenario, we are able to do saliva samples now. Why wouldn't they just say that? Why do we have to make? Why is this so subtle? Why do we have to make so many connections to figure this out? And why is the sapphire or optical genome mapping not mentioned at all if they are comparing it, comparing the saliva sample, comparing the patient's mapped genome, like what's his name is saying? Who's saying that? Bad form is saying the patient gets mapped. Then the COVID sample, the COVID saliva sample, is compared to what do you mean? Like who's there can only be like what do you bad form? You need to explain to me a little bit more. Hold on a second. Yeah, the patient gets mapped, and then their COVID sample is compared to the patient. Patient what? Patient's traditional swab? Like, what do you mean? I don't understand. All these publications are still being reviewed. You can't release news until it's been confirmed. Yeah, I guess this was today, so I guess that could explain it. That could explain it. You guys really think so? I don't know. I feel like it would just be a little bit more. I don't know. I hope y'all are right. I feel like y'all definitely could be right, but I don't know. It is the same doctor, and CMO Al-Kachabi is listed in this freaking thing. And we know the Augusta of University has used the Sapphire for COVID-19 testing. And we know that innovations in the Sapphire are likely to happen. It's not 100% confirmed, obviously, but it looks like a distinct possibility that they've made that breakthrough, but haven't had it corroborated by enough studies to make it public. Dude, you're getting me excited now. you're getting me too excited now. Come on, you're getting me way too excited. If BNGO can use poop samples, then we go to the moon. I'm pinning that. My mouse is not working. Hold on, let me do it with this one. No, not the Wi-Fi. Okay, we're good. Do you think that we can go back to $6? That's no question for another time. This is big news right here, maybe. Potentially. So they can also test football players now. What? Saliva for DNA could be used in a lot of cases. Saliva for DNA, yes. Yes, it could. So, no, that would be huge. No, and here's why it would be huge. It would be way easier. Guys, think of it this way. Okay, I don't really know. I'm not a geneticist. A tissue sample, I don't really know how much harder that is than saliva. But a blood sample, dude, a saliva sample is way easier. All you gotta do is it's saliva. Okay, it's way easier to get a saliva sample than a freaking blood sample. So if we were able to make that breakthrough, as Kieran James is saying, right, that we are actually able to use, that the Sapphire is able to now take saliva as a DNA sample, which I guess would make sense. All you need is long, uncorrupted DNA. If saliva is uncorrupted, I guess you could do it. I guess theoretically it's possible. If that's true, that would be a huge innovation for the Sapphire and likely increase sales. Well, if it's true, you can claim to be the first YouTuber to have broken the story. Yes, I can. And it's because of you, my friend, because you're a legend. All of you guys are legends. That's why. That's the only reason why. 23andMe to add Sapphire. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. They should use the Sapphire. They would be able to know more information. Yeah. Probably. That's the thing. BNGO is way, way, way more quicker. I don't think people see the biggest picture in the world. Oceans can all be discovered within species, plants, possible rebirth, animals that are instinct. Yeah. And here's something, and that just brought it to my mind, guys. Gene editing. You guys know gene editing, right? Taking, You guys have heard, I'm sure you guys have heard maybe in some video games or futuristic movies or even like real news headlines about the future, manufacturing our own food through gene editing, making our own food through gene editing, making, using gene editing to I don't know, to do 1,000 things, right? One of them is to make your own food, perfect things, cure disease, whatever, yada yada, etc. Right? One of the reasons why sapphire is actually used in gene editing is that in order to see what they actually need to change and edit out, right? It's called gene editing because you edit stuff in and out. You could use a sapphire and then have a better idea of what to do. That's just another application that y'all don't know. You laugh, but it's true. Fecal matter analysis is really the future. A lot can be said about the health of your gastrointestinal health. If BNGO ever gets into poop analysis, I think we're mooning. Okay. I hope so. I hope you're right. For real, don't let any other media outlets steal y'all's due diligence discovery here. Well, it's just, I don't know. I'm skeptical to say this is a new discovery for sure, but it's certainly a possible discovery. I don't want to get everybody's hopes up, but yes, this is the same doctor. Yes, our own CMO was mentioned. Why would she be mentioned? This was published today. Unless the study is from forever ago, which is a little bit unlikely. Why was a Sapphire user or employee, right? Why was a Bionano employee listed in this study if it doesn't have anything to do with the Sapphire? Why was it at Augusta University, which has a Sapphire already installed? Why is it the same doctor that is the freaking lead investigator, they called him, right? This guy, Dr. Cole, he has used the Sapphire for COVID-19 stuff before. He's used it for a ton of stuff. So, I don't know. Maybe the Sapphire had something to do with this. I don't know why they didn't list it in here. If, like what you guys said is true, right? If it was true that the Sapphire was used and they didn't list it because, well, they're not sure. It needs more corroboration. It needs more validation. It needs more studies, more approval. Why didn't they just say in a paragraph, like, I don't know where, but why didn't they just say the Sapphire may or may have not been able to help us with this? Why wouldn't they say something like that, right? They didn't have to say may or may not help it. They can say maybe the Sapphire helped in doing this, and and then actually do the esoteric jargon that goes over our head, at least my head, half the time, right? I don't know. Presently, don't see BNGO and the Sapphire really being involved in it, but I'm hopefully wrong. Imagine it can help. It can help in some way. Yeah, I don't know. Here, I'm going to link it one more time in the chat. This is the due diligence discovery that literally just came out today. I think it just came out. Where's the freaking Twitter here? Yes. Yes. To identify rare SVs. You just deleted that? Okay. Yeah, this was literally, this came out an hour ago. Not even an hour ago, man. This is interesting. This could be big. Maybe, or nothing. Could be nothing. Maybe they're able to gene follow who the exact person it came from. Oh, man, I just don't know. For anyone just getting in here right now, we got a new article here, new study that is claiming saliva can be more effective than the traditional swabs for COVID-19 testing, and it's the same doctor that has used the Sapphire, same university that has done a Sapphire, and a employee, a Bionano employee is listed in the bottom of the notes for editors. Al Kachabi, our chief medical officer, is listed in here. So, I don't know. This could be a couple. Go by the charts, Brandon. We get the 5-minute bearish flip on the Supertrend. Not the end of the world, but that's not what we want to see. Yeah, I guess we're gonna stream the whole day because I mean, yeah, I guess we have to. It's already too close to power hour. Takes a while to gather results from a study. It may be something that Alka was working on before joining BNGO. Yeah, it could be that. Yeah, This is the comment from the storm. They're going to announce out the saliva news soon, Brandon. Don't die of excitement, but it's a possibility. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Yeah, COVID should be done. Wait, what? COVID is still going on? Isn't COVID? How many cases is there left of COVID? Isn't there like almost no cases left now? Take a swab and get results within minutes. I think that would boom BNGO. Yeah, it probably would. It probably would, because that's going to be a lot of that's. I mean, this is exactly the kind of article that you want for exposure, for academic exposure and praise on the Sapphire. And a lot of people have said that. And one journalist slash analyst. Specifically, he said a big reason why the Sapphire is speculative right now is because there's not that much academic praise, and we know that there already is a lot, right? I don't know what this guy's definition of academic praise is, high amount, but we've got literally hundreds of papers and publications listed on their website alone. But the fact that is we're getting more potentially, and this is exactly the kind of article that you would want the Sapphire to be mentioned in, or study, I guess. Would you consider this a study or a article? I guess it's an article of a study. Yeah. Let me see if there's anything else I can find here. Non-invasive question method easily accessible. Yeah, I don't know. Some of this stuff goes over my head, bro. Seriously, like, dude, what the heck does this mean? Dude, this goes over my head. Some of y'all need to read this all and tell me what you think on the Discord, man. This is, but what do you call it? Oh yeah, didn't someone say this came from Brennan? Did someone say this came from Messenger Moistville? If it did, that would be. Well, what did he say about it though? Hold on, let me go to his Twitter. You know what? Hold on. Let me go to. There we go. Oh, yeah, by the way, everybody go follow him. Everybody go follow him. This man is a legend. Everybody go follow him right now. So, Sapphire can use saliva to add lineagen. Now it looks like saliva has enough high molecular weight DNA for other genetic issues, too. Think of the possibilities. 23andMe. This is a great source of information, but I just don't know where he got this. I'm going to have to talk to him later. Somebody tell him to get on the stream right now so we can talk right now. Or I'll just message him later, whatever, either way. But, okay, this is actually, that is big. Now, how does he know that, though? There is one way that he can know, but, man. It doesn't mention Sapphire. It doesn't mention lineage. There's no lineagen. There's no autism. I don't even think... Is there autism? I don't think there is. This is about COVID. This isn't about autism. What the heck? Is this the same study? Yeah, it is. It's the exact same thing. What? And then this guy's thing is just about saliva being more effective than traditional swabs. Very, very, very interesting. Very interesting. COVID won't be a moneymaker in the future. The winners have been determined from any studies on COVID. It will be just like, yeah, I kind of agree. Oh, man. All right, let me go up here. Okay, we will be limited during Power Hour. If we were relevant to BNGO, BNGO would have tweeted about it or done a press release. Not necessarily. No, that's not true, is it? No. I understand you, Jay, but hold on a second. We've got like 3 China Sapphire adoptions. Those were all relevant to BNGO, yet nothing from the company. So come on now. That doesn't rule it out. Now, of course, it is a little bit. It's not super likely that this is the huge. This is. I don't know. Based on what I know, I don't know how Brendan got this. I don't know how he got to this because there's no mention of Sapphire or autism or lineage. There's none of that in this thing. But I don't know. It's still good. It's still good. That's huge. Yeah, that's huge. What do you guys think? This is the kind of application with huge impact, easy, understandable. The method of saliva usage is from an autism study. It's funny that it doesn't mention autism once in here, though. This is about COVID-19 testing, I thought. This is an enigma. We still don't know. So many conflicting pieces of information here. I don't know. Basically, if you're getting in here right now, yes, we have new news. Saliva could be a new sample type for the Sapphire. Maybe. And it also could have helped in establishing that a different type of swab is easier than traditional swabs with COVID-19 testing. Those are two things that may have happened. Maybe. Or not, or nothing. The silence is eerie. Merger looming. Merger. I don't know about that. I don't know. But a partnership with Illumina, like some sort of Sapphire, not Sapphire, but some sort of product, something could be happening. COVID is a moneymaker to only big pharma. Only pharma. I just wanted the video of JFK Jr. talking about that had the tuberculosis is seen as $3 compared to COVID vaccine was. Oh, that's true. Yeah, that is interesting. People are making assumptions just because a drug happens to help with pancreatic cancer doesn't mean it will help with lung cancer. Sapphire 2.0 has been confirmed by the CEO has said specifically several times that the only thing new is going to be the 14-fold increase in terms of throughput, but that doesn't mean it's true. Well, it basically does. But NanoNozzle, okay, or just Sapphire Innovations, right? Sapphire Innovations, they have not denied any Sapphire Innovations, right? They've actually confirmed that SNV detection is possible, and they've confirmed that they are working on LOH, structural variant class detection, and that was like a few months ago, and I can prove that to you if you want. I can prove it to you right now if you want. Yeah, I don't know. There is a lot of assumptions being made here. What do you guys think? What are my approved? Where's Patriots Pub when you need them? Brandon, do not cut your hair until BNGO is on $10 deal. I would do that. I would take that deal. I will not cut my hair until whatever price y'all want. I don't care. My hair is annoying already at its current length, but I am crazy enough to not cut it until whatever price. With Sapphire, you're going to be able to delete any horrible disease. There better be some big innovation that happens, because right now the only thing that you could do is be able to see that horrible disease and see what you need to edit out through gene editing, which already has happened kind of. $100? Oh no. Oh no, what have I done? 100? 200, bro. Come on, guys. You guys are mean to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'll do a poll. 30 is fair? At the moment you're able to see, give it a year or two and we'll be able to get it going. Yeah. I'll up it to 250, bro. All right, hold on. We're going to have to get serious now. All right, hold on. When we get into Power Hour, we'll get serious with the charts, but right now there's just nothing going on. So I'm going to go ahead and do a poll right now and link it to y'all in the chat. No, don't do the oh no. I know what everyone's gonna do. Oh no. Is that fair? I don't want to do more than 30. That's insane. Oh gosh, what am I doing? Dude, I'm screwing myself over right now, aren't I? I mean, I guess I'm technically saving more money and time by not getting more haircuts, which is good. But that is gonna be annoying if it gets super long. Is that fair? $15. By the way, I am not shaving until BNGO hits 10. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay, fair enough, fair enough. Okay, good, good, good. I'm glad. Thank you. Okay, 14, and then all-time highs, then all-time highs. We have too much fun. This isn't even stocks at this point. This is just you guys enjoying my torture. Oh my gosh. All right, let's do it. I'm posting it. 15 or delist. Oh man. You already know what people will vote. I know everybody is gonna vote all-time highs. There's no doubt. Everyone, oh no. I don't care. I'm crazy enough to do this. Are you guys ready? You want me to do it? All right, here we go. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. All right, there it is. There it is. Shave your hair clean. Bro, is it not bad enough already? Oh man. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? This is a mistake. This is a mistake, isn't it? Oh no. Does anyone else feel like they are involved in a cult? Oh man. Dude, this is shave your head at 15. Bro, come on. Come on. Shave your head at 15? Is it not bad enough that we're already freaking not getting a haircut until all-time highs? Probably, right? That's what everyone's gonna vote. Let's be honest. Oh, we already have 10 votes. We already have 10 votes. Oh no. Oh no. The Fellowship of the Long Hair. Oh my precious. Yep. Oh man. Shave at 100? Well, it doesn't matter. I can't grow a beard anyway. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anyway. Let's show off that battle jacket. Maybe not. Can't really see. Oh, nope. That's not it. That's not right. Hold on. I don't know. That'll work. Next Friday, get the Clippers ready. Tattoo of the CEO? No, come on, please. I'm not crazy enough to do that. At 100, I'll tell you what. Bionano hits all-time highs this month. Then I'll do something crazy. Yes, I will. I'm gonna look like Gandalf with the long hair. Yeah. Get a haircut when Citadel gets shut down. Gonna be faster than BNGO reaching all-time highs. Yeah, that's probably true. Marco, if this goes back to 6, I'm not doubting that it can't go back to 6. There is a possibility that we go back to 6, dude. I'll tell you what. If we go back to like $3 without the Fed crashing the markets, or $4, then I'll shave my head or something crazy. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I probably won't shave my head ever. Okay, I don't think I have the balls for that. To be honest with you, I don't think I do. Oh, this is such a me type of thing to do. What have I done? What have I done? Anakin after he what do you call? Oh no, what is someone commenting here? 24 votes, all-time highs. I will not get a haircut until BNGO hits all-time highs. You could be looking at the next Gandalf or Aragon here in terms of haircuts. Has a short interest increased or decreased today? That's a good question. Let's get back to serious stuff. It's decreased today a fair amount. A fair amount. I'm freaking out. Please don't FOMO in. Please don't FOMO in. I mean, do whatever you want, but you know. All right. From TXG for $5 soon. About to be green. About to be green. A lot of shares being bought at the ask, helping the share price go up higher. We still have imbalanced shares at the imbalanced shares on the buy side at the opening. And we'll see what the closing is. All-time high equals haircut plus dye green. Oh, no. No, please no. Please no. You know what they're going to think I am if I dye the hair. Marco's a bozo. Why are people freaking out? I'm making money off the stock. Marco should shave his head. Yeah, honestly. I'll tell you what, guys. If we were to get a true gamma squeeze and short squeeze and or short squeeze, but in this month, I will freaking do something crazy. I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. I don't know. What do you want me? Shave the freaking shave the beard? Is that what you want me to? I'll shave the beard. I don't really want to. I mean, I kind of do. I kind of don't. I don't fucking know. Power hour squeeze. Yeah, it is power hour in 7 minutes. 7 minutes power hour. No volume. Yeah, there's no volume. What should I? Hey guys, tell me some titles for the stream. What do you guys want me to name the title? Name this stream. I'll title the stream whatever you guys want me to. Seriously. Shave sides and make a man bun. Shave sides and make a man bun. Marco is Smeagol from Lord of the Rings. Yeah, honestly, he is though. Think about that story though. He found the Ring of Power, right? He found a company that's great, that has potential, and he got corrupted by it. And he's shorting it and being a bear now. And at the end of the day, it's gonna kill him, right? That's what happens to Smeagol at the end. He gets the ring, but he dies obviously. When will I get a haircut? You want me to do it? All right, done. I'll do it. When will I get a haircut? BNGO stock. When will I get a haircut? Hold on. Hold on. All right, here we go. When will I get a haircut? BNGO stock. When will I get a haircut? I love it. I love it. Boom. There you go. Bionano maniacs. What beard? You only have 75 hairs like BNGO. I know. I always say beard, but let's be honest. Why do I not have the other light on? I'm dumb. Somebody sent me a nice light set, and I'm not even using it right now because I'm stupid. It's an attempted beard. It's an attempted beard. No, zoom out. Zoom out. What are you doing? All right, there we go. What if I just stuck the camera right there on my face? Close up. That'd be funny. As soon as it squeezes, you know the Bears, Mythical Robbie will suddenly become bullish or bullish bears. Whatever the bullish bears. What does a bullish bear mean, bro? What does a bullish bear mean? And BNGO tattoo on forehead. BNGO all-time highs tomorrow. I'll get a tattoo on the forehead, maybe. Okay, there. I said it, maybe. Don't quote me on that. Please don't quote me on that. That's why I chose to use whisker. Yeah, I'll shave the whiskers. I'll shave the whiskers once BNGO hits 10. Shave the bears. The bear beards. Yeah. And BNGO tattoo on forehead, man. Stream title. We will be in retirement, on retirement yachts while Robbie is playing BNGO in his retirement home. Bionano Mafia. Nothing new, really. My stepdad was invested and he just convinced me to because I was looking for a new stock. Yes! Let's fucking go, baby! Yeah, let's go! Lord of the Genomes. Lord of the Genomes. My lord, I will not get a haircut until all-time highs. Did everybody vote already? By the way, since y'all are doing the freaking this thing, y'all can do something for me. Since I'm freaking not going to shave my own, I'm not going to shave, nor am I going to get a haircut until BNGO hits above $10 and all-time highs. I'm not going to shave or get a haircut. Y'all have to do me a favor and freaking join the Fellowship of the Sapphire and freaking spread the freaking subreddit, man. I want this thing to freaking blow up. The exploited. What is this? What is this? My precious. Yes. Yes, that's good. That's approved. That's approved. That's approved. Let's go. You know you can make money up and down, and I love BNGO because it's a pump. What the Marco? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Marco? Come on. I had a bunch of something that wouldn't sell. Amish BNGO beard oil. I know it looks like an Amish. I know it looks like an Amish beard. I know I can't grow a beard. It's an attempted beard. It's whiskers. It's whiskers. Cannot grow a beard. I cannot grow a beard. That's as simple as it is. Cannot do it. Thumbnail. Thumbnail will have to be you teabagging the Bears with the bandana saying 10-10. What? Wait, what? How long did it take when the stock went from 50 cents to 14? About, what, 4 weeks? 1 month? Well, maybe a little bit more than a month. Yeah, no more than, like 2 months, I think. Yeah, well, a little bit more. Maybe 2-ish months. Yeah. Are we going to end the day green or red? And end of day. What are we going to end the day at? End of day share price. What are we going to do? My candles look way different than yours, and it's on the same setting. Oh, it's probably because of this. I have they might look like this. I have it on this because it's better. It looks more. I don't know. It's just better. Still bearish territory of 5 minute, man. It's gonna take quite the push to get us to green before end here. We could definitely do it though. Looks like a beard's shadow. Yeah, honestly, it does. OCGN going from 11 to 4. Oh my gosh, it's down 25% today. Whoa, this is a buy signal maybe. Let me see. What somebody tell me what happened to Oxygen though. I don't know. I don't keep up with the company. Let's see why they're getting hammered today. Oxygen, okay, that the FDA recommended that Oxygen pursue the biologics submission instead of an emergency use application for its vaccine candidate and requested additional information and data. FDA approved. Yeah, Oxygen said said it is in discussions with the FDA to understand the additional information required to support a biologics submission. FDA approval, bad news looks like. Yeah, that's scary. This is a scary one. Man, a lot of people lost a lot of money on that today. Be thankful that you're not one of them. You gotta look on the bright side when stuff like that happens, man. Be thankful that you're not one of them. Oh, man. Yeah, BLA. Yeah, Covaxin. End the day at 8:04. That would be sweet. Yeah, we'll be millionaires if it climbs like that. Yeah, we will. You kidding me, son? Hell yeah. All right. 9.5 tomorrow. Yeah, we do need volume. Volume's not the only thing we need, but it would be a good start. I mean, look. I mean, the volume. Every time we get a good news, like this happened on the May 13th earnings, right? Huge volume the next day. And then the next day, have. Same thing with this, right? Having the volume. Having, right? HALVE. Having. That's what we're doing. And we're stabling out at about our 3-month average for volume, about 20 to 24 million on the day. That's what it is. It's not enough, though. Not enough at all. 10,000 shares. No cap, no suit. Oh, yeah, it's power hour. It's power hour. It's time for the cat. It's power hour. Here we go. Go up now, bitch. Let's go. Illumina going up, BIOL as well. Well, you gotta zoom out. You gotta zoom out and realize, hey, Bionano's outperforming these guys by like literally triple and double in the last 3 weeks. So you have to. That's why you have to. Yeah, literally look at BIOL's chart. Like, oh, BIOL's doing so well today. It's literally at lows. It was like $22, and then it wicked down $20 at the lowest. Right? This thing has barely gone up. Okay, if you look at Bionano, we've literally almost gone up 100% from lows. Literally. I mean, it's not even a contest, okay? We've outperformed them in a huge amount. And even if we didn't outperform them, fundamentally, we're better than them, okay? We're just better than them, okay? As far as share price as far as, you know, I don't know. Is it a good buy? That's what it is. Likelihood of after-hours news release. Not any higher today than any other day. I don't think. Naked shorters back. Need someone to take them out. Yeah, they're back. Yeah, you better bet your ass they're back. I mean, they never left. They're always here. Try to tell you all day. I think it's an overreaction. Drop 50% pre-market. You double dab. What are you talking about? Oxygen? Right. BNGO is the boy in the class with all the potential in the world, but who never gets the girl. Damn it. FDA approval, just not emergency approval. Going for full approval. I think it's good news. Are you sure? Because the stop price doesn't think so. 25% in the red. A lot of whales must think it's not good news. Isn't it? It's down 25%, right? Look at freaking what's it name? What is it? Clover, dude. I'm getting absolutely killed on the Clover trade today. I mean, not really, because let's be honest, it's literally like $30. It's play money, but still taking an L on that trade today. Can we catch a bid from TXG before end of year? I mean, I'll say what I always say. It's always on the table. There's anything on the table, but there's not much evidence for. I mean, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. What do you think, my friend? Now, BNGO is the boy in the class who comes back to the 20-year reunion in a limo with a hot wife. Yeah. That's true. That's true. Yeah. ORPH. Okay, sure. I'll check it out. Because that seems to be what everyone's talking about. ORPH. Oh. Oh. It's free falling. Well, I mean, it's doing great, but still, yeah. Suspended. That's insanity, man. That's insanity. Damn, BNGO, wow. Let's see if we hold us any trend line. Hold on, let me make it a little bit cleaner. There we go. Look at those gaps. Yeah, I know. What did you miss for the past hour? Well, what you missed is that for some reason, through my own stupidity, I am now not going to be getting a haircut until all-time highs. Yeah, everybody go vote in this, I guess, according to this, right? 57% of people say all-time highs. And I will do this. I'm serious. I'm serious when I do this. Is it a mistake? It depends on how long until all-time highs. I mean, it could be it could be a year. It could be a month, it could be 5 months. Oh man. I cannot get a haircut. I mean, I'm honestly I've never had super long hair in my life. I've had pretty long hair, but not like hair that comes down past the shoulders. That's not really what I want, but crap, I guess it's over. I guess it's too late. I mean, it's too late. I don't really care. I'm crazy enough to do that. Impatient shorts wanted emergency approval. I think it was overreaction. The bulls need to sharpen the horns for that all-time high. Yes, they do. Yes, we do. If we get a 20, I'll get a tattoo on my foot of BNGO. I'm doing that. I guess I am. And the only thing I ask of y'all, Fellowship of the Sapphire, join the community and post this and share it to all your Reddit friends and all your friends and share it your social media, whatever. Okay, this is going to be the first community of BNGO that's actually, well, not the first, but there are problems with the other one, but I like the other one as well. But here's the thing. We're making this the new freaking... This is going to freaking explode, okay? This is our channel's community, and it's also just the BNGO community, okay? The Fellowship of the Sapphire. Come on, man. It's simple, as simple as it gets. Look at that freaking picture. Come on. Look at that freaking picture. How can you not love that picture, man? Sapphire, man. They're taking the Sapphire on the journey, dude. There's Aragon right there, man. Come on. Legolas, Gimli, freaking I don't know which order the hobbits are in. I think that's Sam. I'm guessing that's Frodo with Gandalf. But yeah. $53 minutes till close. I think I'm gonna make a video explaining what we did today, the horrible decisions that we've made today about not getting a haircut until this. What have I done? What have I done? 58 votes. Let's see the comments. Brandon, get ready to look like Gandalf the Great. I know. I know. I don't care. I don't care. I'm for the community, man. For the community, for the hype, for the laughs. I'll do it. I would do it. I mark my words. You guys don't think I'm serious. You guys think I'm serious. You guys think I'm not serious right now. I am seriously when I mean, I'm serious. Wait a second. What if Bionano never hits all-time highs? Is this one of those drinking streams? I can see why you would think that, but no. it's just stupidity. Donate to it. Locks of love when we reach all-time highs. What? Double win? Billy Gibbons BNGO beard. Oh man, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? 775 right now, close to being green. Am I about to jinx us? Probably. Yes, look at this, look at this. Oh no, that's funny, but no. Oh, we haven't got any Star Wars memes at all. You need to post this in the freaking sub, man. I love that. I love that. I love it. Look at that. Order execute order 66. It will be done, my lord. And then the music starts playing. It's so sad. It's such a sad part, man. Come on, how do you not like the prequels? The prequels are awesome. BNGO shorts, holders, 2022 call options, short squeeze potential. Nope, all of them are just gone because of freaking naked short and it's not over yet though. It's not over yet. This is the only auto boys. Let's shorts must be burned. 776. Brandon, how can we explain how we fall with the NASDAQ but not going up with it? That's a great question that I've pondered for a very long time. And I would just say sometimes with every stock, sometimes you just need to consolidate a little bit. Sometimes you have a little bit of usually you're tethered with the market. Sometimes you just don't have that tether. So sometimes you just don't move the markets. You saw this even in the good old days on the February 16th to from February to February 16th. Even in the good old days, you saw days where the NASDAQ would be pumping and Bionano would be down and people would freak out. And then the next day you go up 10% with the NASDAQ sideways or down. Nowadays, you haven't seen much of that, the latter of that. But, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Fundamentally, obviously, it doesn't matter. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. When is BNGO's next earnings? It should be. I've been hearing late July, but I believe it's going to be more like August 13th, August 15th. But they have not said yet for sure. So we got a little while though. We got at least we got at least a little bit of time. We got like 30 days probably at least minimum. I made your bear teabag meme. It's in the auspicious bets. Oh yes, yes. Yes, let's go to it. Auspicious bets. This is the other community that we created as well. This is like a Wall Street bets. But more intelligent, less stupidity, and no censorship. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that. On the TV, too. That's awesome. Look at that. That's beauty right there, man. Freaking beauty right there. Let's approve that. What the hell? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Wait, why is there letters in there? Wait, I'm so confused. Why is there letters? Look at that. Everybody go and freaking look at this post, man. Oh my gosh, I'm sharing this to Twitter right now. I'm sharing this to Twitter. This is why, if you guys don't like the BNGO community, the Bears are freaking missing out. This is the best community of all time, and it's not because of me. It's because of you guys are just geniuses and you're comedians. That's why. Let me tweet this out. What? I'm sorry. I probably think you guys probably think this is stupid, but it just looks funny because my face. I've never seen something like this before. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, whoever made that. What's your name? Green Money. Who is that? Who did that? Hold on, wait. There's so many good questions, good chats that I'm not here. Gotta live to the fullest. Oh man, thank you so much, Green Money, dude. Freaking legend, man. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. Correlation with BNGO and other indices, bonds, whatever. Okay, I will in 1 second. Hold on. Remind me though. If BNGO doesn't hit all-time highs from Q2 earnings. Oh man, we're really struggling to stay above this ascending level. It's kind of scaring me. It's kind of scaring me right now. Whatever. Okay, long term it doesn't matter. Just think of the long term, and you won't. The prequels aren't as bad as people say, but something went wrong with Lucas after he made Howard the Duck. I didn't see that, but yeah, the prequels are good. Dude, Revenge of the Sith is really good, and the Phantom Menace last fight with Qui-Gon and Darth Maul and Obi-Wan, dude, that is the best lightsaber battle out of the entire freaking series, no doubt, in my mind. Brandon, where's the suit gone? Fell. Well, they told me to wear the battle jacket. They told me to wear the battle jacket, man. So I wanted to, or at least someone asked where it was. It asked if I was ever gonna wear it, and I was like, okay, I will. So definitely needs to be the background of the next earnings live stream. What this? The freaking this? Oh my gosh. That's too good. That's too good. I am one with the Bulls. I am one with the Bulls, and the Bulls are with me. I'm the one with the Bulls, and the Bulls are with me. That's freaking what do you call it? Rogue One, which is actually overrated, but I like the Darth. I like when Darth Vader comes in. Everything else kind of sucks about it, to be honest with you. I think all the Disney sequels, all the Disney movies and Star Wars are horrible. I've heard The Mandalorian is good though, and I think that's Disney. Should I watch The Mandalorian? People keep telling me I should. Anakin versus Obi-Wan is the best lightsaber fight. Brandon, come on. I disagree. The fight, the lightsaber battle itself is most impressive with freaking Qui-Gon and Darth Maul, man. Heck no. I like that. That's probably my second favorite, and of course that one. I actually love the. That one is the most meaningful, arguably, but still, as far as just battle, just like just straight fighting. No, I like the first one better, but that one's so good too, though. You're right. I mean, it's subjective, I guess, but The Mandalorian is awesome. I saw the scene when Luke comes in, but I didn't see. But that's the only good. That's the only good scene that I've seen. I saw part of it. BNGO had a Shoei Herald's meeting today. Well, we also. Brandon doesn't cut his hair until $10. Important agreements have been made here today. Yeah, they have. Can you make the teabagging the bear the next earnings live stream? I'll make that the one right now. How about I make that the one right now? How about that? We got 40 minutes till the earnings. How about I do that right now, dude? Screw it. Is that all right? Do y'all want me to do it? I'll do it right now. I swear to God. I swear I will. You guys think I'm joking? I will right now. Wait, why are we losing viewers? Hold on. All right, let me do this. Hold on. All right, hold on. Let me do it. Hold on. All right, there it is. It's there. It should be updated. All right, let's go refresh it. Let's see if it's there. No, it's not updated. It should be working. Oh, come on. I just updated it. Come on. Yeah, it's there. Wait, no, it's not. Sorry. Okay, yeah, it's there. It should be there. Come on, what? All right, whatever. It doesn't matter that much. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna here. Let me try one more thing. Hold on. It'd be so funny if I could get this to work though. Hold on. Okay, here. No. I got it now. I got it now. Hold on. I think. All right, good enough. All right, if I can't get if that doesn't work, it's just not worth it. We're losing viewers. We're losing viewers. We have a better one for the earnings call. LMAO. Can you make the teabag in the bear next earnings? Is it working now? Please tell me it's working. No, I don't think it is. Oh, it's working. Yeah, it's there. Okay, it is. Guys, look at the thumbnail. All right, here, let me refresh it. Let me refresh it. No, it shows up on my other one, but not this one, bro. Come on. Come on. It shows up on the other one, but not this one. Oh my gosh, what is that? It shows up over here. Hold on. Oh, it still doesn't work on this one for some reason. All right, I don't know. Yeah, it should be there though. It should be there. It shows me it's there on my other laptop here. The Mandalorian is awesome, totally worth the watch. Really? I guess I'll have to freaking watch it, I guess. We got about what, 40 minutes till the close. You need a custom made rhinestone space cowboy jacket before the next earnings call. Yeah, honestly. Moonshot, not really. Okay, I think it's gonna be good, but yeah, anything can happen. Anything can happen. All-time highs is a little bit much though. I'm kind of scared. When will I get a haircut? I'm kind of scared. I will not get a haircut until BNGO hits all-time highs. Is this real? Are we really doing this, or can we do $10? Honestly, I'd be fine with $10. I don't know. I'll do all-time. I guess I'll do all-time highs. I don't care. Let me go ahead and change the title of the stream because I do want the channel to actually grow and actually more people to be able to find BNGO. Okay, let me see. Power hour. Let's fucking go. That's fine. That'll work. Let me get the rocket action in there as well. What is everybody's end of day predictions for Bionano? What is the end of day prediction? I've seen 8. Some people are saying 8. Some people are saying green. What do you guys think? Short interest is the same-ish, basically. Yeah, I know. We will get all-time highs within with posting with 2 Wall Street bets. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. All right, green 774. And wear it around campus. Make a T-shirt with that meme. I will. Really? Okay. All right. Mandalorian. I guess so. I guess I'll have to watch a green. Doesn't matter. I'm in for the long haul. Yeah, that's the truth. It doesn't matter. We're in for the long haul. Yeah. That's true. That's the damn truth right there. The thumbnail came through. It's hard to take you seriously now. I know. I know. I understand why. It's not updating on this one, but it is there. Y'all can see it's not updating on this one for some reason. Tell you what, let me just go to Auspicious Descent YouTube. See if it comes up there. Maybe it's just because I don't know. Maybe I don't know. What the? Yeah, okay, there it is. There it is. Look at that. Ah. Oh, it's not even the right dimensions. I don't care. Look at that. Wait, let me change the title to match that. Bears suck. Bears suck on this. Bears suck on this. There we go. That's not too bad, is it? That's not too vulgar, is it? Star Wars: The Bad Batch is okay, I think. A lot of 850s. 850. Bill's Mafia. Low budget, yeah. Yeah, it is low budget, yeah. It's hard to take you seriously now. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I understand that. I'm fine with that. Are you teabagging bears? Yes. What did you say? The kinks, low budget? Who's going to be higher, Nano Dimension or BNGO? Well, we all know what the true answer should be, but right now they're literally identical. Is my brightness at the highest? I can't even see right now. Dude, our community, we have too much fun. Sometimes I think we have too much fun in our community. Tell me, all right, say what you will about this channel's seriousness today. Say what you will about the stream quality, the audio problems in the stream, but have you ever seen a stream? Have you ever seen somebody live on stream change the freaking thumbnail to a meme that is just absolutely awesome, plus commit that they're not going to shave, they're not going to shave until $10, but they're also not going to get a haircut until, I guess, all-time highs, according to you guys, I guess. Maybe I might do $10. I don't know. Something like that. But haircut timeline prediction July 12th. Oh, man. Are you teabagging bears? Yes, I am. True legend. True legend, man. Dude, it's for the memes. It's for the memes. It's for the fellowship of the Sapphire, man. It's unlike no other community. Say what you will. Say we're wrong about Bionano. Say this is gonna dump short term, whatever, man. You cannot deny the power of the community. The fellowship of the Sapphire is it's in full force. You can't stop it. It's here and it's here to stay. 773 right now. Apes shave it at all-time highs. Best stream ever. Yep. There it is. I couldn't help. Dude, imagine if the apes were watching this. Dude, the apes would love this. The apes would love this freaking community, I bet. They would love it. Come on, man. The Bad Batch will pick you up. Or will pick up as these seasons go on. But, Brandon, if you haven't watched Star Wars The Clone Wars, I tried to watch The Clone Wars, but it is so dang childish. The first season. Should I tell you what season of Clone Wars should I skip to? Because I can't do season 1. I already tried season 1 and I can't do it. I cannot do it. I hate the clones. I hate the dialogue and the writing for the freaking clones. It's absolutely... I can't stand them. Oh, man. GME almost had a very auspicious buy. Really? Oh, wow. Wow. From 344 all the way down to 212. Dang, yeah. Maybe. Oh, yeah, actually, well, you got to make sure you get a bounce off the 21 SMA on the daily. If you don't, that could be very bad. But, yeah, that looks like that's not bad right there. Maybe. Oxygen down 27%. Absolute insanity. Absolute insanity, man. Dude, Bionano's holding up relatively well compared to the rest of high growth. I mean, look at this. Clover's down. Workhorse, BlackBerry, AMC, SENS SENS is doing really well, actually. Skills and MP down big. Zomedica down big. Jagax, SOS, Oxygen getting killed, man. I mean, it's blood in the streets today. Kind of for a lot of stocks, it is, at least. Bionano's holding up really well, though, so far today. Sorry, but what does that teabag mean in the bear mean? I don't know. It just means we're destroying bears. What's your opinion on DraftKings? I haven't looked at DraftKings in a while. Nothing particularly interesting. The most legendary thumbnail of all time. I don't even know what this is. Why am I an elf? Why am I an elf? It's so random. That's why it's funny, though. Oh, man. So is Microvision. Yeah, Microvision's doing well, man. Gosh, I almost got Microvision. It didn't dip enough for me, though. It ran without me. It 2x'd without me, man. Almost got in. It almost hit the ascending trend line. That was a buy signal, or that would have been a buy zone, and the 200-day EMA would have been a buy signal, but nope, it's freaking in firm uptrend territory right now. I'm rolling. Oh, man. New viewers are probably so confused. Just join the Fellowship of the Sapphire. I'm a true believer of BNGO. All my folder from Webull, Robinhood, and E-Trader, all 100% BNGO. That's awesome. That's awesome. I thought the teabag was a shovel and BNGO was burying the bear. Lol. I don't think it is. It's I don't know what's going on. The elf is holding something, and the I don't know. I don't know what this is. The bear is just getting killed. I don't know. I really don't know. It's funny. That's all I know. It's freaking. It's funny because it's random, and that's what we do here in the channel, man. We do random, funny crap that no other channel would have the audacity to do. That's true. That's just the truth, man. Brandon watched the last 2 seasons of the Clone Wars. They hit hard. Really, the last 2 seasons, huh? Okay, I'm taking your word on the last 2 seasons. All right, will do. Will do. I'll watch those maybe. Yeah. All right. 100% BNGO, hold for the long term, baby. Just relax, enjoy the bumpy ride. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I don't care if it closes today at about $7.70, $7.50, $8. K. Long term does not change anything. That should be on your Christmas card this year. There's so many good memes, dude. I'm telling you, we really are building something special with this community. I really think we are. I really think we are. I mean, no one else. I mean, puts, dude, that's honestly true. BNG going to $6 range today, then $5 next week. Bro. $6 range today, then $5 next week. Bruh. What is this? Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, let's get serious. Well, it's about to be power hour, though. I feel bad, though. We're in power hour right now. I feel bad looking at the news. I'll only look at that if you want me to, right? That's talking about the news that we got earlier, right? This thing that the CMO was listed and the Sapphire saliva, potential samples. Sapphire can use samples of saliva now. And maybe being able to, Sapphire being used in order to actually be a part, actually to find this achievement or get this done. If y'all want me to look at that, I will. Yes. Harry Potter, what? What are we talking about? Wait, Harry Potter, what? One of those Christmas cards to mythical with a lump of coal inside. Maybe you can take a small day trade on your old JMIA tomorrow. Back into 30 today. Yeah, let me take a look at JMIA. Man, we're dumping right now. JMIA is under 30 right now. Ooh, oh, yes, I can, maybe. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I love JMIA. Here's the thing, guys. E-commerce, you guys know how I feel about e-commerce, okay? Let's be honest. Can we be honest here? E-commerce is just, it's more efficient. It's easier. It's more convenient. It saves time. It saves money. It's just better. JMIA is the e-commerce of Africa. It's going to do great things. It's got good financials. They're on the way. Their revenue is getting a lot better. They're doing better, man. This is a good company that I like a lot. And if this does retrace that 21 SMA, yeah, you better bet your ass I'm going to be trading that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. You better remind me when it comes down there, though. I'm really not focused on that. I'm only focused on BNGO, obviously. I know. There's a lot of people on Twitter, and I got one guy that was like literally like the most determined hater of like that I've ever, one of the most that I've ever got. He literally made like, and some of you defended me because I just stopped responding to him after once because I knew what I was getting myself into if I responded. He just literally every single day for like the last, before we started mooning, before when we were like at when we were in this range, he literally every single day posting every single second. He said, "You don't know what you're doing. You're leading people off a cliff. Just quit now. BNGO's lost cause. All this shit." Nowadays, where is he, man? And these are the lessons that you learn very quickly doing what we're doing with this community, man. There's just people that don't give a shit. They don't give a shit about anything. They just want you to sell. They don't care if you're. They don't care about the long term. They don't care about the fundamentals. They don't care that they mindlessly hate. That's just what it is. This is how it is. I own JMIA, but the risk is that an African company decides to start one. JMIA is a German company. The locals may prefer a local company. RG holds TXG. Is it possible Simon is throwing up a smoke screen? Also, talking about JMIA real quick, the economies of scale that JMIA has set up is insane. And because of the terrain, man, the terrain is so freaking hard in Africa. E-commerce, that's why it's unlikely that an African company is actually going to do it, because it would be so hard to actually get through and get any market share with the economies of scale and differential advantage that JMIA is already set up. I mean, that's as simple as it is. It's really hard to do that. Do e-commerce in Africa, man. What the? What is? Dumping, 767, one down 1.5% right now. Nano Dimension is following. It looks like. Is this the market's doing? Why are the markets selling off before the close? Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, look at the Russell. Wow, 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 wow. UVXY is pumping right now. It's still getting killed, and we're still doing bad. I'm really surprised. Really surprised. It is what it is. At the end of the day, the people who control Bionano stock price for the day are a couple whales and a couple toots that are trading millions of shares in several different increments on the day. If they like it, they're gonna buy, and it's gonna go up. If they don't like it, they're gonna go. It's gonna go down. It's as simple as it is. Lion King. Oh yeah, that is a bit of a Lion King reference. I didn't even realize that. Hold on. Harry's bus ride. Hold on. Dude, Lion King. I tried to rewatch the Lion King the other day, or not the other day, but like a couple months ago. I couldn't do it because I can't stand the singing. A lot of people freaking love that stuff, and I can't do it. I can't do it. Nope. Braveheart. I think Braveheart might be the best movie. The more I think Braveheart might be not the best, but my favorite one. I think Braveheart might be it. Hacksaw Ridge, Braveheart, and Vikings and Spartacus, Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings. Check AMC, Brandon. All right, sure. AMC. 12 down 12% right now. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that volume still coming in. The volume is still coming in. Oh man. A lot of people losing a lot of money today on AMC. But the AMC sentiment is really high still. If BNGO could just have the knowledge, oh my gosh, we would be at all-time highs. It's as simple as it gets. But what do I think about AMC? I think you need to wait. If you're gonna trade it based on the 21 SMA, you need to wait, right? That's what that indicator means. All right. Gladiator's the best movie. I just watched that one like not even a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. I just rewatched that one for the first time, and I seriously watched all of it. I like the ending, but it doesn't compare to the other ones for me. I like it though. Braveheart the musical. No, not Braveheart the musical. Mel Gibson, Scotland, England. What? What are you talking about? I like Gladiator, but I like it. I won't. It's good. AMC might double bottom. What does a 1.2 to 1.3 million short share availability mean for the short interest of BNGO? Well, it basically means that it's a little less, but there's lots of different things that determine that. And based on Ortex data, it's still the short interest is going down slowly. I mean, it's going down a fair amount. It's going down about 4 million shares, yet the stock price is still going down. What does that tell you? Naked shorting. Well, actually, technically, it's only going down 2 million. Sorry. Or actually, technically, it's only going down 1 million. Sorry. Yeah, because there was 2 million shares that we weren't accounted for, and this is basically 39 million. And before we had 42, right? So you do the math. Basically 1.5 million maximum that the shorts have covered. But yeah, the short interest is still up from the last settlement date, which was 36, which was actually technically now 38 million. But the fact of the matter is the stock price has gone up and the short interest has gone up. What does that mean? That means the covering is imminent if the stock price continues to go up. So yeah, it's still on the table. If we go up, yes, it is. We talk about the game of squeeze and short squeeze less and less every day that we go down because it gets more unlikely every day that we go down because more of the shorts are covering today, and it just becomes less unlikely that they're gonna and it also the sentiment every day that the volume decreases and the interest decreases, it gets more unlikely because we need interest in volume if we're gonna squeeze. But it's still on the table. It's still on the table. I believe it is. I think it is. Do you like The Witcher? Conan the Barbarian, 1985, the best. Well, The Witcher. When you say The Witcher, I think of the Netflix series that was just released like a year or two ago. The Witcher. Yeah, with Geralt, right? That one had very high potential. It had a chance to be. It had all the things it needed to be great, but no, it was good. The final battle was, oh my god, the acting and the script and the story could have been a lot better. I thought that's what I thought. I get so when I start ranting about movies, I get pissed off even quicker when the bears start talking about it, dude. I have not watched a good movie or series in so long. I just keep rewatching the greats because I don't like new stuff because everything else I'm picky. Unless it's really good, I'm gonna hate it. Spartacus, Lord of the Rings, Vikings, Game of Thrones, it spoiled me, man. Now all the stuff that's like, I can't do it. I can't do it. Have you talked about the validated ascending line on the BNGO daily chart? No, I have not. So this is one, I assume you're talking about this one right here. This is one that has been validated pretty nicely. And it looks like, hopefully we can go sideways here and not have to retrace all the way down to 660. But if we did, whatever, Kate, I mean, honestly, long term, it doesn't matter. Now, if that does now, is that likely to happen? No, not my opinion. But more likely, we go sideways, we wait until, and then we hit this, 750, 780, whatever. We hit that, then that's when we retest 912. That's a likely scenario. We've got 22 minutes till the close. Walls at 750, 760, 764, and 756. Most of them are fake. I'm going to break it to you right now. Berserk 1997 anime. I've heard that anime is good. Do you like the Harry Potters? Yes, I do. The Harry Potters are good. Yes. Stranger Things is an interesting one. I actually probably should rewatch. I probably should watch that. I saw some of it. It was good, but I hate some parts of it, so I can't take it seriously. But it's not bad. Stranger Things is not. I'm not trying to shit on Stranger Things. It was a well done. It had the interest. It had the acting. It had the script, and the story. So I can't really shit on it. But not my favorite thing. 300. Oh yes, I do like 300. I haven't seen that in a while, but that's a good one. I need to rewatch that though. It's been way too long. Netflix Unnatural Selection is a genomic show. What we need to do is make a movie about the Fellowship of the Sapphire, dude. 5 years from now, when we're all millionaires, if it is okay. Oh my gosh, I'm getting y'all too excited. I'm getting too excited myself. But 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we're gonna make our own freaking movie with our profits about the Fellowship of the damn Sapphire, man. There's probably not enough information about it. We're just a YouTube community, Reddit community, Discord, whatever. But dude, I don't care. We're gonna do it. Have you seen the 100? I think I have. Hold on. Let me make sure that's the same thing that I'm thinking about. Hold on. Oh, wait. This is the show. Yeah, I heard that this thing was good. This is the, what was it? I forgot what it was. Hold on. Let me read it. Yes. Yeah, I watched the first episode and I couldn't do it. It's two freaking teen high school girl, I don't know. Yeah, that's who it's made for. High school girls, I don't know. That's what I thought. I don't know. It's too much like that. Maybe I should give it another try. Is it good? I'm sorry if I'm shitting on your shows. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Backwoods. Check it out. Unnatural Selection. Smoking Hot Girls. Really? That's enough for me. That's enough for me, man. Throw it on. Let's go. No, I'm messing. Well, actually, not really. I mean, honestly. All right, 95K shares been sitting on the order book all day at $7. Let me make this 50. Oh, I can't. I thought we could do 50, 30. Never mind. Lucifer. Yeah, I did see that show. I did watch that show, and it's okay. It's okay. It's pretty. Actually, no, it's not okay. It's pretty bad, I thought. But it was interesting enough for me to watch a few episodes. But there are smoking hot chicks in there, and that's pretty much the only reason why it got me to stay. I mean, can we just be honest, guys? Come on now. 11,000 shares just bought 767. I have seen. Are there any Supernatural fans in here, man? So, no one talks about Supernatural. The first 5 seasons of that, especially 4 and 5, dude, people sleep on the Supernatural episodes, man. Yeah, it's a little bit. The freaking Dean and Sam are like freaking. There's a lot of dumb stuff with their dialogue every single episode almost, but mostly it is really good though. Vampire Diaries. That's really. We're making a movie about the length of Brandon's hair. It took 6 months before it was cut. Ritual on YouTube. Yeah, that's exactly. Vampire Diaries. All the vampire movies. The only good vampire werewolf sort of thing was that one. What was it called? What was that one? Somebody tell me the one good vampire freaking series. It was actually good. This is not good. Actually, it has good reviews somehow, but the reviews are misleading oftentimes. Not always. Usually, honestly, more times than not, they're probably accurate, I would say. Look, a high school student falls for a new boy in class. Come on. I don't know. It's too much of that drama action, you know? I don't know. I don't know. True Blood? No, what is it? No, not Twilight. No, Twilight's not good. No, 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 no. No, I mean, I guess you guys might like that. No, not Twilight, not Twilight. It's the one where not the. There's like what was it? There was a new one that came. There was the last one that came out a few years ago, I think. What was it? I'll find out, and I'll find out tomorrow, or I'll find out later maybe for you. I'll probably forget. No, no, I don't think any of those are right. No, Breaking Bad. I've heard good things about Breaking Bad, but that's just not my style. The freaking drug cartels and the freaking. Oh my god, I just, I don't know. The Boys. Isn't that this? Isn't it Jensen Ackles in that or whatever? The Dean guy, Supernatural Dean. I've not seen Dracula until Goodfellas, Gangs of New York, Bronx Tale, Magnificent Seven. Oh yeah, Magnificent Seven. I saw that. I'll tell you what. What's that one? Was it called The Revenant? The one with the bear. That wasn't bad. I really liked how it started, and then it turned to shit, but it was still alright. Did you hear of the ticker? Yeah. Shut up. Yep. Yep. I did see that. Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, I don't know why that happened, but yeah, it's insane. Revenants. Yeah, Revenant's not bad. We need to write BNGO fan fiction. Yeah, we do. It sounds like it. We got a lot of movie fans in here. Show fans. Guys, Lord of the Rings or Star Wars? Choose wisely. I will ban you if you choose wrong. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. They're both great. They're both great. But yeah, I mean, Lord of the Rings or Star Wars? What do you think? We got 15 minutes till the close, man. 15 minutes till the close. God, all the people that are new to the channel are so confused. I mean, I don't know. It's just a boring day today. You know, it's literally we're just doing nothing. We're just consolidating. We're down 1%. There's nothing to say. I mean, there's not enough. Oftentimes, there's just not enough information for me to go over and freaking talk super fast about the level 2 data and all this stuff. When at the same time we all know that this stuff doesn't matter long term. Wow. Yep, Wi-Fi's gone. Gremlins. Yep. Okay, we're good. Phew. I'm sorry. We lost so many viewers, rightly so. I mean, oh my gosh. Oh man. Yep. Yep. Wi-Fi sucks. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. It's getting better though. It's getting better. Using the microwave. I don't know. Maybe. Lord of the Rings. Need cable ASAP. I know. It's ordered yesterday. I'm tempted to invest another 25K. What do you think the stock will do tomorrow? What do I think the stock will do tomorrow? I hate this question because you're going to make a decision based on this. But basically, if the markets go up tomorrow, Bionano is going to go up a lot, most likely. What are the chances of the markets going up and high growth doing well? You know, we got the CPI data. We do apparently. I don't know if this is true. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't really agree with this. But apparently, the Consumer Sentiment Index tomorrow, the preliminary, is going to be important for everybody, for the markets. I didn't think people cared about that too much. But that's tomorrow. So from a stability standpoint, the market is going to have a much better time tomorrow, most likely, because today was just insane. Luckily we didn't wake up and inflation wasn't horrible. By the way, funny story. Right when I woke up, I got a freaking notification from Fox News. It said inflation was the worst since 2008, and I literally thought a market crash had happened, and I literally worried. And then I looked at Bionano, and it was doing fine. I was like, what the hell is this? All the news headlines always making it sound worse than it is. Always. Why didn't they just said inflation core CPI data barely misses estimates? Like literally, that's all you had to say. I know it's not what gets hits. I know, but man. Start day trading more so we can pump profits into BNGO. Fear mongers. What the? It should be good. Yeah, it should be good. Hey, Brant, this is my PC account. What's up? Okay, hey, my friend. That's cool. It's cool. All right. We got 12 minutes right now. 12 minutes till the end, and let me check how the markets are doing. Let's check how Bitcoin's doing. Never mind. I clicked on the markets. The Russell is getting absolutely annihilated. It was recovering really nicely. And then, like, right about when we started streaming again, it's just dumpage, just slow dumpage. And now it's just straight dumpage, just straight to the drain, garbage can on fire. Bitcoin is not doing anything. Okay. Oh, come on. Please. Please don't be another Wi-Fi. Nope. Come on. Please work, Wi-Fi. Okay, phew. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Nano Dimension and Bionano both bleeding. If we look at the volume compared, right? Look at this. Okay, we're doubling nanos, but literally we're getting doubled by microvisions. Okay, this is obviously not what you want to see. It's a problem. Also, look at this. Okay, this is the average 3-month volume for Bionano. We only have 20 million right now. What does that tell you about today? There's no interest. There's no trading. There's no volume, obviously. It's not a good thing. Of course, long term, it does not matter. No one knows about the news that we got today. Potential news, I should say. Very speculative news, but it could be good. GoEd is GOED is e-commerce. I'll have to check it out then. I'll have to check Trailer Park Wi-Fi. I know. Yes. Need cable ASAP. 768 broke the previous high. Never mind. Testing the previous high, I should say. Buying pressure's in. Do y'all think we're gonna get good? Or do y'all think we're gonna get buys or sells at the close? Honestly, I don't think it really matters as much as we think it does, but I don't know. So usually there's a lot of orders coming in, so going back to 3K. I would load up on puts if your Wi-Fi was a stock. Yeah, me too. No kidding. I would do the same exact thing, my friend. Yeah, it almost always is buys. There's only been like 1 or 2 days in the last 10 that it's been sells. Two minutes to the close, man. This has been, I mean, I didn't think it could get any more boring from yesterday, but this has been, I mean, dare I say, even with all the memes and the funny thumbnail that we got today, literally this has been even more boring of a day than yesterday. I mean, it has been. Even with the thumbnail, which I love, by the way. Thank you for whoever did that. What's his name? I forgot his name, but I already said thank you to him. My diamond balls are clanging against each other. More like diamond hands. More like diamond hands, mother beep. Some short covering will probably happen into the close. It would make sense. It would only make sense. If it drops to 2% down, I will blame your Wi-Fi. Fair. Most people thinking buys. Crazy Cat, Mr. Adore, thinking buys. All right. I hope you're right. By the way, I found the thumbnail offensive. Almost reported it, but I'm feeling forgiven today. What? Why would you report it? It's funny. You didn't like the thumbnail? Please tell me you're joking, my friend. It's so funny. Look at it. Look at it. This is subscriber made. This is somebody in the community made this, man. Look at the bears. Look at the bears. They're getting killed. Oh, teabagging the bears. It's too good. It's too funny. Come on, man. How do you not like it? Come on, that's a good laugh. Come on, even the bears gotta laugh at that. If it stays boarding, we'll cut off limbs. A little. What about 770 just broke above the previous high? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's write our own press releases for the company and release every day. What would we say? What would the first one be? Reported for animal abuse. Talking about the thumbnail, right? Getting the thumbnail reported for animal abuse, right? Mythical Physics went ahead and almost reported it. That's what he said. That's what he says. I don't know if he's serious, but that's funny. Mythical, I'm a bear and I don't like teabagging. Let's close above the opening. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. That's gonna take a lot, though. That's gonna take a lot. $8, yeah. We can do it. We can certainly do it, but it would take a lot. It would take a lot. Yeah, of course I'm joking. I'm not that sensitive. In fact, I feel no emotion. Okay. Feel no emotion. Okay. That's a fun life. Ape language articles only. Should we do our own PR, like BNGO PR, makeshift BNGO PR, or what should we say? Fan fiction BNGO PR, or what should we say? Not that. What should it be called? BNGO PR. Every day we have a section. We have one Reddit post a day on the Fellowship of the Sapphire. PR every single day. At 7.8, is it? Oh, yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we actually did open at 7.9. It looks like, yeah, my bad. We opened up at 7.9. 7.79, sorry, my bad. Yeah, 7.9. Yeah, no, we can definitely do that. Sorry, I thought it was $8. I'm stupid. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Bears suck on this. Such a title that has gotten the title and thumbnail have gotten the least views. Yeah, but big volume is coming in. Oh man, maybe 769, 769, 913. That'd be nice. Sell walls 12K at 770. There's no news today to recap for anyone just getting in here right now. I guess I'll do that at the end. We got 6 minutes to the close. I'll just leave it on the 1 minute chart. Let's go to 1 minute. Conflicting indicators there, and okay, just got the bullish flip there. I like to see that, but man, we have already dumped. Anakin got him. Yep. Oh my gosh, why? There we go. There we. Come on. Okay, phew. Oh my gosh, the Wi-Fi. This has been the worst day for streaming. I mean, if Bionano was down like 5% today, it would just be the perfect bear day, but it's not. Or a White Walker. White Walkers, that freaking, I hate how they ended that, man. I hate it. I can't even take it serious. Look, the whales are playing with us now. The whales are playing with us. We've got we got fake whales on both sides. I'm so sorry for the Wi-Fi, everybody. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say. It sucks. I'm gonna try to do what I can to get it better. I got the Ethernet cable on the way. Hopefully that'll help. I don't know if that doesn't help. I don't know what will. So, oh man, dumping here at the close. Same with Nano Dimension. Actually, we're underperforming Nano Dimension right now. Nano Dimension is just barcoding. BNGO is straight dumpage right now. Also, Mythical Physics, dude, you called like $6 today. What are you talking about? You called $6. What are you talking about? Didn't you call $6? I'm like 99% sure you called $6. Isn't that right? I know, custom PC, yeah. The laptop we have right now that we're recording on is actually good. It's a new one. It was $700. It's got a I don't know this. I don't understand specs because I'm stupid and I don't know computers. And this is the first real computer that's actually nice that I've ever had. But it's got like a built-in SD card. It's like an NVIDIA something. It's got the good stuff, but it's still not enough. I mean, it's good. It's fine. I love it, but we need to get the Ethernet cable. We need to get we need to get something with more USB ports, man. But yeah, we got 2 minutes of the close. We'll see what happens. Literally the most boring close. I mean, this is why you guys. I think unless the price action unless there actually is news or price action to actually talk about, or I'm like live trading or something, we're not going to stream as much as we have this week because this week has just been absolutely insane. The last 2 days have sucked, but before that, it's been amazing. Obviously, Monday and Tuesday has been incredible. So. Buying. There you go. There's your sporadic buying at the close. 1 minute. We're in the 1 minute. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Make sure you guys fast forward to being live. Make sure you do that. Make sure you are live and not behind. 30 seconds to the close. How are we going to close? How are we going to close? I know part of me wants it to go down. Part of me wants to go down. So I can add more. Double my position. A lower average cost. All right, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Let's see. Yeah, it's selling. Yep. Oh my. What the? Selling. Let's see. About I don't know, maybe 100,000. Not as much as yesterday. There's just no volume. No one cares about BNGO today. I mean, this is just a boring day to be honest with you. All right, so that doesn't matter. So about 100,000 shares sold at the bid right there. All right, so let's go ahead and sum up the day. What the heck? That's probably fake. Let's see if that's real. See if that's real. Hold on. I am gonna sum up the day here in 1 second, but we hold on. I want to see if this is real. $32 shares traded, and we're going up like 5 cents. I don't know if this is gonna hold. Yeah, I don't know if this is real. It's probably just a wick up, fake up. But then again, everything else is up after hours as well. But typically, when you go down, when it's a big red day, right when the after hour starts, you kind of sometimes you get an initial push. Sometimes, not recently. That used to happen in the good old days. Not so much recently, because I mean, up 1% after hours. Manipulation, yeah. Honestly, this is manipulation. Honestly, wouldn't be surprised. I don't know what the hell. How else do you explain this? There's only been 32 shares traded. There's only been 32 shares traded, and yet we're up 0.79% right there. What the? What? What? Okay, I guess it's real, maybe. I guess it's real. Man, I'm tired with this. What? What the heck? Bro, what is this? What the hell is happening? Bro, y'all want to know what manipulation looks like? This is it, man. This is it. What? This is not natural price action? What the? Yeah, failed to deliver. Yeah, let's be honest. Yeah, well, actually, we can't. Ortex doesn't show that, does it? I wish Ortex did. It doesn't show the FTDs. Fintel does, but it's way delayed. This is manipulation. This is here. Oh. It's doing the. Oh my gosh. Dude, what is this? Oh, there's no manipulation going on in the stop price. Right, we don't have proof, but this is just yet another instance. An example of freaking manipulation going on. What the hell? What? What the heck? I don't know. I don't know what this is. Somebody tell me what's going on here. What the? Okay, now we're dumping. What? I don't know. All right. Anyways, let's just if we start pushing or climbing or dumping something after hours, tell me what's going on. But right now, I want to sum up the day. So there was one piece of news. Basically, we got the shareholder meeting, which was literally nothing. But we also got this news right here. So basically, there was an article that came out today, right? It was June 10th, and we're going to go over this more in depth tonight. But to give you the sum up here, basically, Bionano may be able to use saliva testing as samples to test for your genome, map your genome, right, for greater than 500 base pair SV detection. Now, we know this because, well, there's actually no actual mention of Sapphire or Bionano or anything in it. But if you go down here, right here, Alka Chaubey is our CMO. She is our CMO, our Chief Medical Officer. She's a top executive at Bionano. Why was she included in this study if this doesn't have anything to do with Bionano? Why was she there? Also, if you put the pieces together, the lead doctor that led the study, he has the Sapphire in his university, which is, if we go up here, where is it? Augusta University, Georgia, USA. They have the Sapphires. And we also know that based on his research and based on previous articles, we know that they have already used the Sapphire for COVID-19 stuff. Maybe there is something going on here that they're about to release soon. Maybe this would explain the silence in preparation for something big. Maybe this could be it or not, right? I mean, it's speculative, but that's something. Besides that, there's really nothing that happened today. If we look at Bionano's Twitter, they posted, there was the stockholder meeting thing today that was literally just absolutely a waste of time. I wish we did not do it. And then there was this thing. They were talking about the what do you call it? The AC, what do you call it? What is it called? The AC, the EACR and the ACC, the American Cancer Conference or something or whatever it's called. We got those studies or something, but there was nothing new. So there's basically no news today. It was basically a boring day completely. There's basically nothing else to say. They were selling at the close. It was just a monotonous day, to be honest with you. It was a monotonous day. If we had not had the memes and the freaking awesome community that we have here, it would have been a very boring day. But luckily, because we got so much freaking awesome stuff going on, it's never a boring day. With that being said, let's get out of here. Man. Man, do you actually believe that the manipulation will stop and we will have a bright future? Yes, and here's why. Fundamentally, you can manipulate a stop, but you can't manipulate with the revenue of a company, right? I mean, you can't just stop sales, right? So once people actually see the proof of concept, Yes, it might still be manipulated and not go up as high as it should, but it's still going to go up a ton. And obviously, manipulators, we've seen in the recent past, if you manipulate a stock, if there's a lot of short interest, if you manipulate it, it's naked shorting, you're going to get squeezed. And eventually, I think Wall Street Bets, and I think, or with or without Wall Street Bets itself, through ways, we will increase the knowledge of what's going on, what we've witnessed firsthand here in the last few weeks and months. And we will get people to join the Fellowship of the Sapphire and return Bionano to its true fundamental value of above $10. There's no doubt in my mind. And with that being said, last minute questions, and let's get out of here. Feel free to click off right now. That's all. There's nothing else in here. There's nothing else in here. There's nothing else. I mean, this literally, it was a boring day. Okay, market manipulation at the after hours. I don't know what the. I don't know. I don't even know how, this. I mean, the only way you explain this is market manipulation. Okay, we've seen this We've seen this plenty of times. 4K shares. I'm going to keep them in for a time. Hell yeah, man. HODL for a year, short-term doesn't seem to be happening. Well, it's too late to be, well, who knows what the future holds, who knows what the short-term future holds, but, yeah, we've gone down, what did we go down, 1% today? We went down like 6% yesterday, I think. Yeah, if we look at the daily chart here, or the 4-hourly, we're in strong, microscopically, we're in very strong downtrend territory, but macroscopically, right, as long as we're above that 21 SMA, on the daily, we're still in very strong uptrend territory. So I want us to go sideways until the 21 SMA or this ascending level of support can interact with the price action, and then we can get a break, and then break the descending level, and then 912, previous highs, all-time highs, and there we go. But yeah, all right. All right, man. Post the new Reddit link. Okay, I will do. Will do. Let's go ahead and post it. There is a new Fellowship of the Sapphire community, right? If you want to be a part of our community, free link to our Reddit, subreddit, and the Discord. All of this stuff, I mean, our Discord, several subreddits, two subreddits. Oh, I got to do this. Hold on one second. All of that stuff is going to be in the description, right? So if we go right here. Okay, hold on. Let me actually try that again. Hold on. There we go. All right, so that's the Fellowship of the Sapphire community, right? And this thing is just awesome, okay? I mean, we have a ton of great things in here. This is going to be the next, it's not going to be the next Wall Street Bets in terms of what it is, but it's going to be the next Wall Street Bets in terms of how popular it is, I think. But I could be totally wrong, and I understand if that sounds fanciful, but it will have. What? Dude. Okay, I was about to say, if that just disappeared, I was about to say. Dude, this price action, man. I mean, how else do you explain this? This is manipulation, man. Oh, I don't have the energy to rant on it right now. Maybe tomorrow I will. But anyways, with that being said, let's get out of here. What is your exit strategy? There is no exit strategy. I hodl for years. I'm hodling for years. That's my exit strategy. Will you consider reaching out to people and doing interviews? Yes, we are. We are going to actually interview and go to the CEO and Eric and the headquarters. There's actually a BNGO tour and trip info, right? So update. I will message Miguel, Mr. Invest a lot, right? And others, if any, for BNGO trips. If it happens, 10,000 subs or more is what we need, so there's a chance of BNGO actually accepting the idea, and not just, right, we actually need a realistic chance of this happening before we go and do it, I think. So, all right, with that being said, thank y'all so much, man. Exit strategy doesn't come out until 2026, 2030. Yes, sir. All right, guys, with that being said, let's get out of here. All right, guys, here we go. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much, man. I know this is a boring one. I know. It's tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be more exciting. Anyways, with that being said, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.